say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat.
Hey yo, breakthrough.
Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
Chat was good.
The water didn't wake you.
Happy Friday.
And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. 'Cause you deserve the praise. Sweep me to
All right, what up, chat?
wash away my shame.
What's good? What's good?
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
All right, chat. What's good? What is good? Happy Friday. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. How y'all doing today? Happy Friday. It's good to be back. Good to be back at the desk. Just got here. What we got here today? What up, DT Gamer? AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? What up, Scott? Z Gamer, what's good, Z Gamer? What up, Gotta Trade? Gotta Trade, looking flashy, man. You looking flashy. Yes, sir. What up, Traders X? Good morning, Energy. Or good afternoon, Energy. Yeah, good afternoon. What up, Kelvin? What up, Gold Busters? Storm Potato is in the house. All right. Richard Lewis. What's good, my man? What up, Pete the G? What up, everybody? What up, what up? How you guys feeling today? W's in the chat. We got motion here. It's a big day. NFP day. We are ready. Louis G, my guy. Louis G's in the house. What up, Forex Guru? My man, Forex Guru. In the house. About to do big things. What up, Pipsqueak? Pipsqueak, man. You're a clever one. You are clever. What up, Rob Trades? What up, everyone? Give me 1 sec. Let me just finish this over here. Zoom. Where'd my Zoom go? Oh, there it is. All right, perfect. All right, how you guys doing today? I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling grateful. Highly favored, man. How you guys doing? Give me one word to describe how you doing today. Give me one word while I set this up and multitask. One word. Not 2 words, not 3 words, 1 word. Great. I love it. Let me know how you doing. Fantastic. Blessed. Amazing. Comeback. Woo! Scott. Comeback kid. Let's go. Amazing. Let's get it. Motivated. think we're all set. Let me just do something with Discord. Hey, if you guys are not in the free Discord, we need you guys to jump in there right now. We're going to be doing some giveaways today. Those giveaways are going to take place here in the Discord. Sorry if you're hungry. I just happened to be on the food channel. Oh, green active, eh? Okay, that's the second one from the mod god. That's the second one in less than 24 hours. He bulking, but he ain't eating them tomahawkies, man. He ain't eating them tomahawkies, chat. Oh, man. Yeah, join our free Discord. Just hit, yeah, there's the link. The link's in the chat. Links in the chat. Let me lower the music, and we're going to get started here. One sec. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right, Zoom link is good. Let me share my screen, and let's rock and roll here. Boom, boom. All right, chat. You guys ready? Ready to go? Let's get started. Let's pray real quick, and then we're going to get the day rolling. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you for a new day that we can gather together and sharpen one another, Lord. We thank you for creating this entire community, this atmosphere. We're so grateful, Lord, that we could rest on your promises. Your promises that promise that we would have a life full of abundance, of prosperity, Lord, of blessings, to not just receive them, but to give them, Lord. So we thank you for turning our heart, Lord, and turning it from bad to good, and from greedy to giving. And Lord, we just thank you for the miraculous work that you continue to do in us day after day, Father. We thank you. We know it's the most important thing is to hang on to your word, to hang on to your promises, Lord. It's a light to our path. We pray that this community and this live stream could be a city on a hill, Lord, for your people, your lonely people who are just looking for hope, Father. I pray that you would use this community as that, Lord. We thank you for a blessed week. We thank you for being with us this entire week, Lord, and we give you all the glory for all the blessings that we've received. We know they come from you, and we thank you for it. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. How amazing it is that we could just rest on the promises of the one who created us. Sheesh. Wow. Wow. Amen's in the chat. Let's go. Let's get the day started. The day is always better when it's blessed. Right, family? Always better when it's blessed. Amen. Let's get it. So, welcome in. Hey, as you guys settle in here today, just give the stream a like for me. We almost got to 500 likes yesterday. Almost made it, chat. So maybe we can get there today. Don't forget to join the Discord early here. We're going to be doing giveaways in the Discord today. And let's go ahead and get the day started. So today, my friends, is Friday. It's NFP day. It is the end of the week. We've had a great week so far. We don't want to lose our profits, right, on one day. So I know I'm not going to do that, but I know some of you guys are. And I'm going to encourage you, and I'm going to put this thought in your mind today. Don't blow it. Don't blow it, right? Hang on to your profits. Trade properly, right? Trade responsibly, and let's finish the week off strong here, all right? So it's the 7th day of June. It is Friday, as you guys can see here. It is another day, right? Another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient. Although there's going to be a lot of buzz around today, a lot of excitement around today, I need y'all to tame that, right? I need you guys to show up as a regular day on the job, right? It's just because you have all this anticipation and excitement, nothing changes for the pros, right? The pros are going to sit tight. They're going to wait for their opportunities, and they're going to strike like they do every single day. So that's what we're going to do here today. And let's go ahead and take a look at it, right? So 8:30 here is the fireworks show. So the big party starts at 8:30 here today. You see a couple red folders here. You got unemployment rate, you've got non-farm payroll, and then you got the earnings here. So these are going to be major red folders at 8:30. We should have a big kapoom going on here, and we'll see which way price wants to go, right? That's the main thing, is we'll let that come out, and then we'll follow price action. We'll get our piece of the pie, and then we'll get moving today, right? And head into the weekend. So that's the plan here for today. When it comes to the news, you've also got a couple yellow folders coming out here towards the tail end of our session today, but that's about it. I think the big thing here is going to be NFP. You got an incredible daily closure yesterday. I haven't looked at the chart since last night, but we'll go ahead and dive into it here today and see what we got going on. Right, y'all like the stream, right chat? You gave it a like. All right, look at this. Wow. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame here, because today is the last day of the week. As you can see, there's about 9 hours left, 9 hours and 42 minutes left on this weekly candle here. So let's go ahead and see what we anticipate happening, right? So just backtracking here as we do this top-down analysis. We've got some time here today, so let's chat a little bit on the front end of the session here, and let's see how we can prepare ourselves best for what's going to take place today. So let's start on the monthly, right? Let's just check it out here, because we know that the monthly candles have been pushing up like crazy, right? Now this candle here closed with no top wick, so the party has pretty much not really been able to get a good vibe back, if you know what I mean, right? Like, price wanted to go up. I mean, look, we were pushing up. I mean, if we kind of zoom out a bit, right, we were pushing up, you kind of consolidated, and then basically from this point, the party started, right? You started pushing up, right, making these higher ranges. And now this candle closed with no top wick, and notice how we've yet to find some sort of a pullback. Like, you see a support here. It's just been a lot of rejections to the top side right now. So bulls are trying to get up there, but it's just not happening. We're calling for a pullback, right? That's what it seems like to me, is that as we are in these all-time highs, price is losing steam. It's no surprise. You had a candle close with no top wick, and I would expect candles to, have some sort of a pullback here over the next, I would say over the next month or two, before we kind of decide to head back up into, those all-time highs. That ideally would be lovely for us as traders, because we get away from these all-time highs, right? And we get back into some better trading territory. This is fishy up here, right? You're way up here. I'd much rather see price come down and begin to start taking trades again back down towards, like, 2000. So we'll see what happens with that. Or gold could just shoot up and break the highs here, right? We have no clue. We can only basically go off of the data that's given to us here. So that's all we got here in terms of the monthly, but 21 days left, so it's still the beginning of the month. This candle can do anything, but I would expect us to make a steeper bottom wick and then potentially even break those lows of the previous monthly candles, candle there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly, see what's going on here. So same thing, as you can see, this is your run up that we talked about on the monthly time frame, and now we have this range, right? So price is basically ranging from that support, and you have a resistance here. Looks like you caught a fake out right here, and we just kind of dove back into the range, right? So just to give you a visual, this is the range, right, that we're trading in on the weekly time frame here. So very choppy, very, very choppy right now. It's very tough here on the weekly. Higher time frames are a bit tough right now. When you look at pairs like gold and the NASDAQ and, some other pairs, price action is not the best here on the higher time frames, but let's try and make sense of all this. You have this, let me erase here. So you have this fake out happen right here, right? Price dives back into the range. We kind of closed strong bearish there, but nothing after that, right? Very weak candle here, and then you have a very awkward weekly candle this week where we broke the highs and broke the lows, and now you got NFP coming in, right? So if there are really good numbers on the dollar here today, you should see price begin to drive down, right? You should see price begin to drive down bearish, and then if we can close below the range, right, then next week we have much better price action, as we would be sitting in this new range here. So that's something that can happen, or we can begin to push up back towards these all-time highs. I'd rather the first option, but the market doesn't really care what I want, right? So it's going to do what it needs to do. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here. So daily, wow, damn, I did not see this. Did not see this. So, okay. So daily time frame yesterday, right? Or really all week, we've had this range. So you have a support here. You had a resistance here. Yesterday, we had a closure outside of the range, meaning that, hey, maybe we have clean traffic, right? To come up towards like 24, 21-ish, you know, and fill that range. But, you know, the idea would play out, or would better play out, if this candle respected the low. But as you can see, we've demolished the low here. We're just pushing down like crazy back into this range, right? So I guess we're coming for that support at this point. But yeah, totally did not expect to see that just now. You broke the highs early on, and then right back down you went. So wow, massive bearish candle here pre-NFP. Lots of volume in here pre-news today. So let's check out the 4-hour though, because we don't want to get too excited here, right? So the 4-hour time frame has no top wick. So we push down extreme, like really like gnarly candle, right? Really nice candle coming down into this free range here. Price had so much volume in it, we didn't even make a top wick. We've come down, and we can say that we have officially tapped a target, right? I don't want to call this the target, but we have tapped a target at this point, right? Which is this support level here at 2332, 2333 here, right? We also have so we have target, a certain target's been tapped. We also have no top wick on this candle. Your pre-NFP, you've come down the whole time. So let's see what everything looks like on the lower time frames, like 1 hour, 30 minute, and let's try and get a read on this here. So you got support. You have this resistance over here to the left. Price closed above, pushed up. Price closed above, pushed up. Closure above, pushed up. So it seems like every time we came down and closed back above 38 here, we were able to push up somewhere towards like 50, 52, right? So let's go ahead and mark that up. 50, 52. If we do get a pullback, right, what's that look like? So that would be this this candle flipping and pushing back up into this range, right? So let's see what that looks like on the 30-minute. Price is beginning to lose some steam here. Yeah, I think buys are decent, but you gotta wait for closures back above, I would say, on the 30-minute time frame. The only reason buys are pretty decent here is because we have moved down aggressively pre-NFP, right? So are we going to continue pushing, or can we expect this candle to pull back, right? I think if this candle here, if NFP can flip this candle bullish and we run up, that's the only chance that this daily has to continue moving up, right? So if we can do that, you're going to see signs on the lower time frame here of candles closing above and beginning to push up during times of volume. So I don't have anything here. There's nothing going on right now outside of we need to wait for at least some sort of support to form, or if we can't get anything and price does want to move down, let's say we just can't get anything on the way up, we either look for a resistance to form like somewhere around here, or worst case, we take our buys above 55 to target all this clean traffic coming up. So I'm not worried if we don't catch buys. It would be awesome to do it, but you know, I'm in no rush to do that here today. Yeah, buys are best above 55 here, but we'll see what happens down here. If we can get a good read on it, then we could potentially take an entry, right? But we don't want to fight this really strong bearish move. We want to make sure we take calculated risk here and do this thing properly. So that's going to be the day as of now. There's not much price action that we can go off of outside of the fact that we've tapped a certain target. If candles close above these levels at like 40-ish, right, on the 1 hour time frame, they tend to move up there. So that's kind of like what we're getting right now. And yeah, we'll wait and see how price action unfolds here over the next hour or so. Pre-NFP. Yeah. So that's it. Buys above 2341 here. And sells, honestly, I don't really like more sells. I'm not going to be like, yo, sells below here, because I don't like sells below there. So the only way I'm taking more sells here today is if we begin to push up, and if we react over here, right, in this range, and you do some sort of a fake out, then maybe there's an opportunity to take sells back down, or from somewhere back up here, right? So sells are no good down here. I'm not taking sells below 31. If it wants to drive, it can do whatever it wants to do at this point. Yeah. So that's it. I mean, look at this. We've got very little to no price action to go off of. So we've got to look left. We've got to kind of get some ideas from previous data, and that's how we're gonna have to play this this early morning pre-NFP time, right? Once NFP comes out, you should get new market structure, and then we can go from there. Cool. That is it. That's the ideas from me here this morning as of 7:27 a.m. my friends. Let's get the purple lines on there. We don't want to get caught slipping. And yeah, let's go ahead and measure this range too. So this range here is wow, that's a 100 pip range. 100 pip range. So yeah, let's be careful here today. Purple lines, man, it's a game changer. Game changer. So basically what I'm gonna put here at 41 is potential fake outs, right? There could be a fake out for a sell here. That's why we got to be careful with our buys, right? Because there could be fake outs just lingering to lure us in here today. But there's an opportunity for potential fake outs for buys, and I think depending on if and when we get that closure, I'm gonna have to take a look at it at the moment. But we may have to wait, or I may have to wait for a range 2 above here, just because we're so bearish right now on the 1 hour and pretty much the daily. So I may have to wait for a range 2. We'll see. I just want to see what kind of price actions in front of us when we get over there. Yeah. Yeah, but you also have super clean buys above 52 here today. Very clean buys. So definitely buys above 52. Potential buys above 41, but may sit tight there and wait and see if it's a fake out or not. Cool. That's the game today. Good morning, Jeanette. What up, Andrew? It's good, Perez. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, how'd you guys do in London and Asia? I took sells here in London. I took sells here in Asian session. Took an impulse trade right here. Actually, was really expecting to see a move like kind of like down into this range, but I closed my full position right here at this support. It was this 1 hour support as well, and yeah, it looks like price pushed back up overnight, and so I'm glad I got out of that and then dropped down later. Wow, look at this. Does this London open? London boys, who ate, man? Who talk to me? Talk to me. London looks like y'all had a good party. Sheesh. Hopefully you saved some for New York. Yeah, this was my trade last night. Very simple trade. So actually I wasn't even aware of this. Shout out to Scott. Thank you, Scott. Shout out to Scott, because Scott texted me last night and he was like, yo, looks like you think gold could like start to pull back. Like basically he was asking me, hey, you think this could, be like maybe one of those impulse entries? And I was looking at it and I checked my phone and I was like, nah, it doesn't look like it. But I forgot that the 4 hour candle was about to close. And the 4 hour candle was closing with like no top wick. So I actually came in over here to the desk to get a better look at it. And yeah, I seen that it broke the high. And then I was like, man, this would be nice if we can get a impulse entry coming back down. We'll close some, close over here and then see if it could run here for a daily bottom wick. And yeah, it worked out good. We started struggling. I closed partials here. We started like just hanging out here for a while, and I just closed the full position. It was 50 pips. It was one of the easiest 50 pips I ever got. So shout out to Scott, man. How much are the signals, bro? Can I get one of those every night? Look out for Scott's Asian session signals. Yeah, man, it was 50 pips quick too. But simple trade. Very simple trade. A couple of you guys took this with or not with me, but took it as well. Scott's DMs are gonna be filled later. Hey Scott, you think you could send that over to me next time? Yeah, I didn't realize that the new 4-hour candle was just about to open there, and I seen that this one closed with like very little to no top wick there. So I was like, oh snap! If we can kind of mess around up here for a bit, and then on the lower time frame break the low, that's probably gonna be a great trade. Yeah, it worked out good. What up, Lee? Hey, chat. What a trade yesterday, huh? What a trade, man. That worked out to the T, to the T. That's what you get from sitting. That's what I feel like I've developed from sitting out of impulse entries for one and a half years, right? Or a year and a half. What the heck am I saying? 1.5 years. In a year and a half. Is just watching that over and 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 over again, right? Are you willing to watch it that many times before just pulling the trigger, right? And study it, right? That's why, you know, some of you guys, I'm proud of you guys for just sitting out, right? Because you're not in a rush to go ahead and pull the trigger. It's if there's one thing I hope you guys are learning about me a bit, is that you see that I'm willing to let time play as my edge, that I'm never in a rush, right? I have aggressive patience. I'm never in a rush to put my money out on the line for something new. I'm willing to study, right? I'm willing to do the groundwork and the work that needs to be done in order to, like, what's that one quote? Like, I'd rather sweat in training or than bleed in bat. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I'd rather do the work behind the scenes, like in the dark where no one's watching or whatever. And then that way, once you get out in the light, it you know, it almost looks flawlessly, right? So, you know, you just gotta sit tight and have patience with yourself, gang. Seriously. What a trade. Oh, yo. Hey, when is your son coming on the stream? It's almost time. He's almost got a mustache, doesn't he? It's time to be a man, baby. Can you explain why we need a range 2 buy here? Hold on, range 2 buys here, but the impulse move up isn't a good idea. So yeah, so that's why I was saying, like, I want to see. I'm not totally with the range 2. Right now, I want to play it on the safer side and say, hey, I'm gonna take a range 2 up here, unless I get something that really sticks out, right? So the daily is bullish, right? But I mean, look at this candle now, right? So that kind of really like wipes my hopes of the bullish move. But this candle is tapping into support, right? And so are the 1-hour candles and the 4-hour candles. They're all tapping into some sort of support. So my main thing here is I don't want to get activated, and we're just coming up to make a resistance here, like, and give this candle a top wick, right? So I don't want to just impulsively take a buy, because we may fade right here, right? With this candle having no top wick, you've got some rejections over here. There's some rejections to the left as well. And then, you know, you may see the next candle pump up originally, but then close back bear, right? So I don't want to fight the big move here unless I really have a standing chance. So I want to see how we react towards 41, because if we react like that, then we could potentially take sells from up here, right? And then we may target these lows down here. But if it's clean, then I may be willing to take the shot above 41 here. Yeah, so I just want to see how things play out right now. We don't really have much price action here to go off of. So there's no resistance, there's no range, right? It's just a simple move down, a trending market basically. And I want to see how we react here before I say, hey, let's do this or let's do that. Good question though. Good question. Oh, he just turned 11. Got a trade? Let's go. There you go. Just turned 11. It's time, baby. It's time. Where's he at? Where's he at? It's time, baby. It's time. Casino time. Casino time. Can you check charts for stream? Yeah, let's do it. How do I read news on Forex Factory? You just come into forexfactory.com. The only ones that I'm really paying attention to are going to be like these red folders. These are the red folders mean that this is high impact news, right? So it'll highly impact the market. So that's the ones that I really look out for. These yellow ones are not that, you know, I really don't like need to be too concerned about those. Is there an orange one here? Yeah, these orange ones are like medium. So it's really just the red folders that I like to pay attention to. Everything else I like to keep in the back of my mind that it's happening, but it's mainly the red ones that you got to look out for. So knowing that, you come over here and open up the folder and you can read about it and what it's all about, what the previous, you know, history of the results were and all that good stuff. You'll also see like what the previous rate was, what they're expecting. Wow, CAD is expecting a big difference here. Big difference here. So yeah, and then you'll see the actual news come out. So yeah, that's how you read it. That is how you read it. Charts for stream. Let's go. Let's take a look. Gold sells pre-London. Pre-London. Okay, let's take a look, my man. New 4-hour open and pushed up, but had to come down to make a bottom wick. Entered on the break of the previous 15 lows. I think this may have been the same trade I took. Wait, gold? Yeah. Oh, this is pre-London. I can't remember. Was that like Asian? You talking about Asian or like pre-London, like an hour before London? Yeah, nice. Let's take a look at this one here. Another one. Same trade. Let me move this. Almost the same trade. So one of the coolest things is that everyone is seeing these ideas play out, right? So it's no longer just me and a handful of people, right? Now what we're seeing is in our community, almost like you see many, many people taking the same exact trades now. So that's the beautiful part about this is that everyone is beginning to get a good read on the market for themselves now, right? I think that was our biggest shift this year from last year, is that we took a more of an approach as like, you know, this is for you to learn independently, right? Not for you to, you know, just come in here and, you know, wait for my magic keys alert and then take your trades, right? So we're seeing a lot of people, you know, take their own initiative to learn and study, and it's showing, right? It's paying off for you guys, and it's showing because everyone seems to be looking at the same ideas, the same moves, the same trades. So it's been absolutely incredible. I think that was a big shift, you know, from last year. It's just like, you know, I just want to come and learn with you guys, right? I'm not supposed to be this big head honcho YouTube live streamer. Like, that's not me. I'm not in it for the clout. I'm not in it for the views or the likes. I don't even monetize my YouTube. I'm in it because I've got a skill set that has really helped me and helped me become free, and I want to pass it on to you guys, right? And have basically create a place where we can all come and learn together. So just like you guys, I'm still learning on a day-to-day basis, and it's super cool to learn together, man. So great trade there. Great trade. Beautiful celery play on the way down. You had this candle close bearish. This one closed weak bullish. Entry on the break of the low. Perfect exit. It doesn't get much better than that. It don't get much better. Tradeaholic. Tradeaholic in the house. All right, overall bearish. Let's see what he's got here. So break below previous lows. Okay, wait for pullback. Easy peasy. Wick rejection. Enter on the break of the previous lows. Awesome. You see how Tradeaholic, he has like his own style, right? Like his own swag to his trading. It's a little bit different than mine. But notice how we see the same exact stuff, right? All he did was take an onion. Right? We would just call that an onion. He's going to just call it a higher low, and that's fine, right? Everyone's going to have their own way of seeing things, but a good play is a good play, right? No matter what you call it. And yeah, I think that was a great move there, bro. I don't know if you're on here, but W. Let's see here. Gold buys. Gold buys. Let's see. Gold buys. All right, so bullish day. What is this? Gold? Oh, yeah, we are bullish. That's right. We are bullish here. Price formed. Resistance forward. 30-minute closed above resistance. Cool. That's what we're kind of waiting for now. Something like this. Entered on the break of the previous 30-minute highs. Beautiful. Yeah, nice shot. TP1, TP2. Awesome. Great trade. Simple buy off support. And he's hitting GJ too. He's hitting GJ. All right, wick fill, 1 hour wick fill. Thanks for sharing. Bearish bias. Price closed below support. 1 hour wick fill. 15-minute came up, rejected. Yeah. Entered on the break of the lows. W. Waited for the pack runner. Beautiful. Nice try or nice trade. Yeah. I like that you kept your stops above here. So these are the things I'm doing, right? So, you know, some of the guys I learned from, right, they all have different ideas on stops, and you know, two of the main guys that I learned from, right, especially this style, is really one guy wants to keep his stop right up the other one's rear end, right, kind of like where that yellow line is, and then the other guy wants to keep it, you know, give it way more room to breathe and distance and, you know, time to play out. So what I'm trying to do is really find that medium, right? Where can we find that happy medium ground where it's not too tight to where we can get stopped out like this, right? If you had stops sitting above here, you get stopped out and price drives, but also not too far, right? Because we also don't want to just, you know, have mega stops, and, you know, it just doesn't make sense, you know, for our trade. So yeah, just trying to find that happy ground right there. And I think this wick right there was probably the best spot to put it. I know it's a little bit of a distance, right? You kind of jip your trade a little bit, but do you want to still like have the setup play out, or you want to get tapped, you know, by 2 pips and then watch it play out, right? So that's always, no one likes that. That always sucks when you just get tapped out by like 2-3 pips and then price drives. So yeah, I think a bit of a smarter stop loss. You guys are seeing me do that now too. Not too high, but not too low either, right? Trying to find somewhere where it makes sense, and it gives the trade a good opportunity to play out, you know, properly. But yeah, great trade, man. Great trade. Great trade. Let's see here. All right, so what do we got? Who's this? Who is this? Oh, energy. All right, let's see energy. So, okay, so taking a PM, fake out back into the range. Daily and 4 hour are both bullish, 1 hour bullish. 15-minute also creates support. Nice. Stops below the lows. Entry on the break of the high. Close 50% here. Move stops to BE. Perfect. That was the same trade. Same one as the last. Same one as this one. Yep. Great job, guys. That's what I mean. Everybody's seeing the same exact moves, like taking the same plays. We're in here, man. We're in here. All right, cool. I think that's it. If you guys have any charts that you would like to review or like us to review here on the stream, you guys are more than welcome to send them in, and we'll take a look at them and give them a quick review. If you guys want to see if you guys want to review any of my trades, then you can come into the Discord to come to Trade of the Day, and this is where all my trades will get placed. So this was yesterday's trade from the live stream, and we'll get last night's trade up there too, but these are pretty much all the trades that I take. So you guys can go in here, review the trades, and get a look at them for yourself, and try and wrap your head around them and get an understanding of what it is that we're seeing here in the markets. $3K minimum. No Lambos, B. No Lambos. How do you improve yourself when you know you have a playbook with a set of rules and market conditions? Once you are confident with your plays, how do you then take them to the next level? You just execute, bro. You just execute. That's it. They're already at the next level, right? There's no other next level to go besides execution, right? Execution is our edge. Execution is how we make money, right? So we need to just execute. If I learned anything over the last two months, it was execution is your edge, bro. Execution, Nick Stewart, is your edge. So just execute, right? When the plays come up, here's where I was playing it safe, it's starting off the year, tiptoeing, blah, 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 blah. I'm moving around. I'm having a baby. Let me not execute too much. Like maybe I could bounce back out of it. And right around this time is when I had that conversation with Mike, right? This trader and he just said, dude, you have a beautiful playbook. Like, your trades are lovely. They're simple. They're quick. They're efficient. They're good. They play out most of the times. Why aren't you executing? I'm like, damn. Word. So the main thing he helped me work on was execution, right? And that's where we started turning the dial up in April. And look at this. This is how you take yourself to the next level. You execute, right? You execute. Let the chips fall where they may. Don't be afraid of losses, losing streaks. Who cares? Bring them on. This is trading, right? It's all good, right? So as you can see, April, May started turning the dial up. May took a lot of trades here, right? And really just proved to myself that execution truly is my edge, right? So that takes me and my trading to the next level. My confidence, my swagger, plus my ability to execute when that opportunity shows up, all goes to the next level just by simply executing, right? So that's it. June, we're in the 7th day of June. We've got 9 trades, right? So that's one of the biggest things that I've taken over the last couple months, is to truly just execute, right? Execution. The extra work is reviewing your trades, going over your trades, studying them. What else? What else is the extra work? Really paying attention during the market, right? I'm talking here all the time, but I'm watching everything, gang. I'm watching everything. I'm studying everything low key. And just really having a knack for that, and just wanting to learn more about the markets and how you can, sharpen your skill set so you can pull money, and as much money as you like. So it's really just being a good student to the game, paying attention on the weekends, reviewing your trades. That's about it. It's not success doesn't ask for much here, but it does ask for something, and you've got to be willing. Most guys, they come here, just looking for a trade, right? They're looking for a trade, and they'll take it and they'll be like, awesome, yeah, we're traders, right? But they're not doing the legwork. They're not doing the grind work. They're not really sitting here studying, watching this candle right now. What is it doing? Why is it doing it, right? They're just here for the show, basically, right? So you don't want to be that guy, right? You're not that guy, right? You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Right? You want to be the guy that's going to do the legwork. And what that does is that may not show right on the markets in the next week or so, but you know what it does do? It shows you that you're willing to commit, that you're willing to go the extra mile, that you're willing to pay attention. And when you feel like that, you feel worthy of success, therefore success will come to you, right? You build yourself up to be success. You attract this thing. Yeah, what up? Good morning, Futures Frank. What up, Sam, man? I see you. I see ya. Johnny Boy's in the house. Let's go. Holy. Johnny DiCaprio. Okay. All right. We found out.
My brother.
My brother.
Good morning.
Chat.
Good morning.
John Stewart.
Yo, what's good, chat? It's Bob.
Look at him.
How you guys?
He's coming up on the mic. He's like, hold on, can they see the fade? Yo, what up? What up, chat? What's good?
Nah, bro, I wasn't even thinking about that.
That's how I be doing with my Jesus shirt.
I got my Jesus hoodie on too.
Hey, man.
Hey, Jesus King. Let's go. Praise God.
If you guys see me standing up a little extra today, that's probably why. I'm just, flexing my Jesus shirt, just hanging out. Might have to stand up all day today.
Always got to flex repping Jesus. Come on. How could you not? But, hey, let's go, Nick. Fire.
What's goody? How you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, bro.
Yeah.
Lovely morning today. Did some things. How are you feeling?
Fantastic, man. Fantastic.
Awesome. Hell yeah, it's Friday, so end of the week. Looking to end the week off strong, and another day to just be great at the market. So I'm excited. I'm happy, and I'm ready to go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another thing I was gonna say to add to like the extra work stuff too is like, only the committed will get there. And a lot of times, like while you're putting in that extra work, there's going to be struggle involved. Like for some reason, things on the charts and things off the charts is just like, not panning out for you. And you're like, what's going on? Like, why isn't this working for me? I'm putting in the extra work that he said. I stopped hanging out with my knucklehead friends. I started reading books. I'm even listening to podcasts. I'm going to the gym, but how come it's just not working yet, right? And I want to say congratulations and welcome to that phase of success, right? Because most people are not committed enough to get to that phase that you're in, the phase of struggle, the phase of questioning, of doubting, of thinking about turning back around and going the other way. Congratulations, you've made it to a great place. But you're gonna have to you're gonna have to give it that extra effort now, right? You're gonna have to you guys ever play? I think something I was talking about this to someone yesterday, right? You guys ever play like Mario or any of those games? You get to the last level and you gotta beat like the big dude, right? You gotta beat that big dude, and then you've won, right? You've won the level or whatever it is, and that's that little phase in success, right? First you get very happy and it's like a relationship. You get the butterflies and, ooh, look at this. I'm making money trading. But, then you are going to roll into that phase or whatever it is, even if it's just another business, right? But, man, I'm telling you, once you break through that last barrier, success begins to flow and flow so freely and so quickly, you don't know what the heck was holding it back the whole time, right? So that's me trying to encourage you all here, because I know there's many people in that phase to embrace it, right? To understand that that's a part of the game, that every single successful person for the most part has gone through that phase, and your promised land is right on the other side. Right on the other side.
Yep.
And everywhere you go, you should walk in victory, because you're promised that. Everywhere I go, I understand that I have a warrior behind me. His name is Jesus Christ, right? And he's the creator of all things. He moves things in my favor. He had things, he'll take things away. He'll straighten my path. He'll build me for the next levels. And everywhere you go, you should walk with that same confidence, in that same victory that I do, right? Because that's when you start to make big improvements, right? And not only in your physical business or trading, but in your internalness, right? In your spirit, right? It's an internal work that reflects externally eventually. So if you're going through that phase, let's get it, man. Trials are to test our quality, right? That's what the word says. So let's go after it. Let's embrace it, and let's enjoy it, and let's laugh in the face of adversity and keep pushing through. All you have to do is get through that one last level, and you've got the God who created everything behind you, right? Behind you to back you and to get you to where you need to be. So, take that with you today as you move into the weekend, and understand that the struggle is where it's at, right? Dream, struggle, victory, my friends. Dream, struggle, victory.
Yes, sir, bro. And like the video, Nick, I believe you showed the stream yesterday, but of the little boy who had a fat belly, and he worked out, and he was like, "Oh, I thought when I worked out my belly shrinks," right? And the person told him, "No, that's not how it works, right? It's gonna take some time." And he was like, "Oh, I don't like that." Right? And a lot of people are like that. They don't like that, and then since they don't like that, that makes them quit, right? So if you want to be successful in something, if you want to get good results in something, you got to be able to have delayed gratification, right? Everyone wants things instantly, and that's why people don't get the results they want, because they want it instantly. If you can practice delayed gratification in what you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish, right? Success in money is a lagging indicator. If you can understand these principles, you can have a high chance of getting that success that you want, right? So all we have to do is do the work, right? The outcome is guaranteed. It's the income, it's the input, right, that we have to control. It's the work that we have to do to get that outcome. So like Earl Nightingale says, if you have a goal and you work on that goal, it has to come to you, right? You accomplishing that goal, it has to happen. If it doesn't happen from trading or what you're trying to do, it has to come from somewhere, right? That's just the law. So as long as you do the work, right, you will get that outcome. But that's the thing, right? No one wants to do the work. So understand that you have delayed gratification, and know that you don't need to know when it's gonna happen. You just need to know it's gonna happen, and you just gotta keep pushing, right? Keep that head down and keep working.
Yep.
Nick, you had delayed gratification for 10 years, bro. If you
still do,
in the middle of that, if you would have, if you wanted instantly, you would have quit, bro. A long time ago.
Oh yeah. And that's the thing too. Some of you guys want to know the future. I don't think you do. I don't think you do, because if I knew at 20 years old what it was going to take to get free, I may not have done it. Right? Because it took a lot, and it still does take a lot. It took a lot to dig deep in. It took a lot of tears, a lot of blood, a lot of sweat. I don't know if I would have done it if I knew everything that was going to happen. Right? I don't know if I would have been up for that task. Right? So you don't always want to know what happens. It's best to connect the dots looking back and not try and connect them moving forward. I couldn't have planned this, gang. I couldn't have planned this if I tried. Right? If I told you guys my entire story, and maybe one day I will, there's no way I could have planned this. So for you trying to think you can get everything all figured out, just stop trying to do that. Stop trying to do that. Like John said, you don't know when, but you know it will happen, right? And that's the swag that you got to move with every day. Yep. How many pip stop loss do you use? Why? Why?
Different on every trade.
Why do you want to know?
Every trade is unique in its own way. Yo, good morning, Andrew. What's poppin'?
Andrew.
That man's on his last barrier. Yes, sir.
That man's been hurt.
That man's got a Y. Strong Y. What a crazy move down, eh? In
Crazy.
London.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Very nice. We may range here a bit for the next half hour or so. So we're gonna see what happens. You got NFP coming in 28 minutes here.
Yeah, bro, I like your charts. I got the same thing too.
Nice.
Yeah, I was thinking like buys, you know, as well, but I think range 2 buys is a little bit better, I believe. At least till the 4-hour closes.
Yeah, that's true.
Yep.
No rush here, chat. We've had an amazing week. Don't blow it here. All right, this is the day I used to blow it. I would have once I really got out of like the losing phase and I got into like the break even stage. This is where I would blow it all the time. Is on a Friday, feeling good, overconfident, end up doing something stupid. So don't do anything stupid here today, and just you know, play the game you've been playing all week. Did we go over charts for stream yet? Yeah, man, we shouted you out, bro. We gave you a huge round of applause and edification, and we seen your trade. It was great. Tradeaholic is in the house.
Great trade.
Yeah, I think I don't know when we did it, but if you scroll back a little bit, you should see the charts if you just kind of move your mouse on the thingy-majiggy. The thingy-majiggy. Anyone got calls for GME? Oh, calls, man. I haven't heard calls in a while. Puts, calls, and puts. Damn. Throwing me back. How you feeling today, Tradeaholic? What up, Lights Fire? Good morning, man. Welcome in, brother. Nick, what would be the possibility according to the current economic status in the US? What's your expectation on today's news? You know, Ace, I can try and answer that and try and sound smart, but to be honest, I don't know. You know, I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to watch how news comes out. I'm going to follow price action. I'm going to get a read on what numbers come out. But to sit here and try and pretend I know what I'm talking about and sound all smart and talk about the economy and stuff is just, I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm just going to wait here and watch price and follow candles and try and get a read off of that and try and tie that together with the end result of today's outcome. Sometimes there's volume at 2 p.m., 1 p.m. Did you think it's a good time to trade? If you have a setup, yeah. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I've been finding myself in some later afternoon trades. I actually got let me mark the Asian one up. I didn't do that yet. That was, what time was that last night? Does anybody remember? Let me go to Asian session. Yeah, I got that one on my top one account too. That was
I think you took that around like 10 or something.
10ish. Yeah, I think it was like 10. Not, oh, 9. Yeah, it was like 9 o'clock. Yeah, it was right when that 4-hour opened up. 9 p.m. Couple PM trades in here. 1, 2, 3, 4th PM. PM Magnifico. What are you doing to me, man?
Magnifico, what up, bro?
PM Magnifico's rubbing off on me, man. Wow, I find that very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the, how many trades are we in? 8. 8 for the month. 5 of them impulse entries.
Wow, that's like all the trades.
Pretty much. That was one of the easiest 50 pips. That was by far the easiest 50 pips I ever got in Asian session. I'll tell you that.
And that's what could happen if you cap your your growth. If you want to cap your knowledge on certain things and you just don't want to be a continuous learner, you may miss out on something that could give you 10 extra wins in your in like your month or in your just winning system. So that's why it's always good to be a continuous learner, always trying to educate yourself and getting better, always a student of the game, so you can learn new things that can help you be better.
Yeah. W Tradeaholic,
Hey,
good stuff.
Morning, Xander. Morning, Scott. Morning, Lights Fire. What's up, man?
Xander in the house. Yeah, crazy move in London. Yeah, the trade that I just showed you, this one here, this was this is what price looked like at that time. So that was right here. Right? All these candles are these candles here. And we pushed down right into that zone and then boom, right back up later. So I was actually gonna leave that trade running overnight, but we were struggling in this zone. Like, watch when we go towards like the 15-minute, right around here, you're gonna see, or right around here, you're gonna see a lot of struggle. Right, where is it? Right here. See all this struggle? So ended up closing it, going to bed, and then it looks like we came up and then drove back down later.
Imagine you would have held.
Hold the line.
Damn.
Roger's gambling today. Let's go. W.
Get the paper, Scott.
Get the papers. Get the papers.
Yeah, what was that impulse like based off the 4-hour little topic?
No, I just took it because the great Scotty C called the move. He was like, yo, gold's going down. I'm like, gold's going down. Say less, bro. I'm in there. Should I just press the sell button right now? Pressed it and worked out well, man. Shout out to
damn,
Scott.
bro. Where's my text message?
Right? Shout out to Scott.
I was waiting.
Scott passed me the ball. I just laid it up. Quick little layup. Holla.
Pass to me next time.
Thanks, Scott.
Good stuff, Scott. You're a beast, bro.
You're a beast. Scott's in
Legend.
that flow state, chat. Watch out.
I can tell. I can tell, bro.
Yes, sir. There's some people under his roof that gotta eat. They hungry, and it's time to eat.
He's got people dependent on him. That's what's up. Pressure's privilege, bro.
Yeah, a lot of it was 4-hour no top wick too, and just been running up for quite some time, and all that good stuff. Yeah. Break of its own low, came up, kind of broke its high, broke its low. Bada bing, bada boom. How you doing? Little Mo, what do you want to do?
How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
All right, hey, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some more water and get ready for NFP.
Go ahead, some push-ups. Yeah, Chad, I think I'm at like 40 push-ups today, so I got a lot to do. Anyone else doing push-ups while they trade? If you do, what are you at? What's your push-up count today? But yo, shout out Little Mo. He's a clown. Great character. I know he goes to a lot of Yankee games. I'm gonna try to meet him at a Yankee game maybe. Fresh cut, John. Nice hair. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Lights Fire. Thank you, Energy. Appreciate your nice comment. Thank you. Yeah, my hair is getting really long, and it was 98 yesterday. So I was like, yo, it's too hot, especially to have long hair. So I had to cut it. It's like, screw that. What's good, PM at Nifigo? What up? What up, Yanosh? What up, Louis G? How often do you get your haircut? So I usually do it about like every 2 months, but I'm gonna try to do it like once a month now. Just so I'm always, you know, fresh. Hey, let's go, Daniel. Yeah, bro, if you do, think about it, if you do 20 or 30 push-ups like every 30 minutes, like in your trading session, like that's gonna add up, you know, you'll end up with like 200, 300, 400 at the end of the day. So that's what I try to do, you know, I try to get my workout in while I'm working at the same time. 42 push-ups, nice. 200 push-ups 5 days a week, I dig it, bro, I like it. Bro, all we need is consistency, you know, in anything, in any area, your mind, body, spirit, you just want to focus on that consistency, you know, don't focus on doing too much one day. You know, if you do too much one day, maybe you're not going to want to do more the other day. But I think a little bit every day will compound, right? Because consistency will compound, and that's it. And I like to keep my workouts fun and attractive, so like I want to do it again, you know what I'm saying? And that goes for any habit I have. I want to make them fun, so I'm enjoying them and able to do them more and more. Slight edge, yes sir, Scott. Yeah, I know. I was listening to a Joe Rogan podcast too, and one of the guys, he was a fighter, and he was just like, you know, you want to work out enough today to work out more tomorrow, right? You don't want to overwork yourself to the point where you don't want to work out anymore ever again, right? So that's the kind of mindset I've been having. Let's go, Futures Frank. I'm 58, 20 push-ups and 20 sit-ups a day if I can. Bro, you can. Come on, brother. Don't cap yourself.
Let's get it.
You got this.
And that's what most people do. You know, they get all geared up to go work out. Before they go work out, I mean, they got to wait till Monday, right? And then when Monday gets there, they're going to hit it hard. But on the weekend, they go buy new running shoes. They go get the new gym shorts. They get the new shirt. They even go buy a treadmill just in case they can't, because they're so committed now. Just in case they can't make it to the gym, they're going to run 2 miles on the treadmill every day, right? And then Monday comes along and they're all fired up. They're ready to go, and they go work out like crazy, the hardest they could do, and then they're sore Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and they never go back to the gym. They go, that sucks. I'm never doing that. And then they don't even hit the treadmill. The treadmill just becomes like some little thing that they throw clothes on to dry now, and they forget that there was even a treadmill there, right? After like the first couple of weeks, like, oh my God, I forgot I spent $2,300 on that treadmill and actually never even turned it on. So don't overcommit, you know what I mean? Just start small, right? Small little steps. Take it one day at a time. Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Small steps lead to big moves at the end of the day. Right?
Man spent $2,300 on the treadmill, $600 on the gym gear, went to the gym one day and just shut it down.
Oh yeah. Oh damn. Yeah, I forgot about that treadmill. And if you're the I'll do it Monday type of person, we can't be friends.
Hey, when I stopped treating days like the world treats days, like Monday, Tuesday. I mean, obviously I still keep that in mind because it's professional, but in terms of my actions and what I do and the way I feel, I don't really cater to the, hey, Friday's the day where you start to chill and Saturday's the day where you hang out. It's just like, nah, every day is just same day to get better.
Be great.
To be great.
Another day be great. That's how I see it.
Let's watch Raja. Is he on? Let's take a look.
I'm down to watch Raja. Let's do it.
Let's take a look. That's why I love that You guys remember that photo of consistency I showed you guys about the cups of water, and was it cups of water? I forget, but it was just showing you that, like, you know, not every day. Also, like, you may see people and you think, wow, they're so productive every day, but that's really not the case. You know, some days they're just gonna do a little bit, some days they're gonna do a lot of bit, some days they're gonna do, you know, some medium amount of work, but every day they're going to get a touch, right? They're going to be consistent. Even if you can't go get a full, super good workout in at the gym, can you go hit cardio? Can you go do some pull-ups and some push-ups and, you know, do a few things where it's like not a full workout, but just getting there, right? That's okay too. You guys, some of you guys think, oh, I didn't get a good workout in. You're all down on yourself. So chill out, man. Have fun.
That has. Like, smile.
Have fun, dude. You're living. Somehow you spawned here butt naked, upside down. You came out of another human being, and you're upset? Holy. Holy. Speaking of holy.
Right now, I have no forecast. If I look at the 4-hour candle,
some of you guys are like, whoa, what's my other? Did I take my other thing?
It should continue to push up. That's what my forecast
we'll see.
is.
We'll pay attention when NFP comes around. Holy, Stephen B. You spawned here out of nowhere. You came out of a human being upside down, butt naked. Someone took care of you, guided you, and you're upset. Damn. Damn.
That's wild.
Sheesh. Mind blown.
Crazy, bro. Nick, who even are you, dude?
Who are you, bro? Where'd you come from?
I don't know, bro. Like, what?
Like, where were you in 1999, dude?
Right? Like, crazy. In God's factory, obviously.
Like, how'd you get here, bro?
Seriously, dude, it's wild.
No excuses will do. Your excuses work for you, but they're not going to work for success.
I must press play game or something. I don't know.
Where were you before you were born? Yeah, I can't wait for Alea to ask me that one. Hey, Dad, where were you before we were born?
In heaven.
Where do babies come from? I can't wait for that one.
Oh, are you ready for that question? How's your answer gonna be on that?
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. I got it prepared.
All right, bet.
Where's all my dads at? Where's all my dads at?
Nick
throw me some answers.
Nick will be able to explain it like the perfect way, and not like lie either about it.
Man. Funny stuff. All right, 11 minutes here for the fireworks show. We got a 4-hour that's not wanting to go up. It's trying to, but it's playing tug of war right now. Yeah, no sugarcoating.
I would say it's a high chance we go up. But what do I know? I'm just dust.
Everything we're saying, chat, we might be totally wrong about everything.
Dude, totally wrong.
You never know. You just never know.
Never.
Maybe we should all just go to school, get a good education, get a good job, settle for 50 grand a year in medical benefits, and be happy with it. Maybe we should.
Maybe.
You come from my armpit. You guys
I'd rather take the chance and be wrong.
Yeah, me too. You guys watch Bluey? Where's all the parents out there? You guys watch Bluey? They ask him some like super deep question. My man just jumped in the pool.
That's why I love Bluey.
Dude said, jumped right in the pool. What up, Christian? What's good? What's good?
Oh yeah, 2 weeks PT, paid time off every year.
Ooh,
gotta love it.
That's right. Yeah, we should be very fortunate. We should consider ourselves very, very fortunate for that as well.
Facts. You got to. I mean, gotta feel grateful.
Hey, I heard it's different in the UK. The US, they give you like a week. Hey, man, thanks for putting all the work in here this year. We're going to give you 1 week off.
Yeah, other countries get like 6 to 8. Yeah,
I know
can
we
see
don't
it.
pay you enough to go anywhere, so just enjoy your staycation at your house while you binge Netflix.
That's pretty boring, vacay.
Just make sure you don't come back here all depressed. We want to see that smile and that work face when you get back here. Good. Yes, sir.
That's not slavery. Slavery, then what is? I don't know.
Yeah. Gotta keep it a buck, man. Gotta keep it a buck with the kids.
Always.
Damn, even the men get maternity now. Holy. Holy.
That's sad. Most people take their 2 weeks coming January 1st, right?
They're like, nah. You can't take it on January 1st. Billy and Sally and Amber are taking their 2 weeks on that one. You got to pick another day, Frank. Like, damn, can't even get the day I want. Sheesh.
All right, I'll settle for July.
Hey, let's go. What's up, Nick? Your job is just giving you Friday afternoons off. Let's get it. Free to trade, baby. Yeah, this job, I used to work for Mercedes-Benz, and every Saturday, if you worked Saturdays, they hooked you up with some pizza. So, you know, it was a vibe.
Ooh.
It was a big vibe.
Bunch of bread and sugar and sauce.
I'm really excited to get back to work now at 1 p.m.
All right.
Can't wait to get back out there.
I hope you at least love the job, you know, that you're doing.
Yeah, if you love your job.
I love this job.
Yeah, we're just messing with you guys. Just kidding.
I love like trading, so. We do a little trolling.
It's just a joke. We like to troll.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little
It's just a
trolling.
We all
little,
troll.
little. Look forward to the Warehouse Olympics.
Yo, that's from like The Office.
Billy and Jim over there fighting on the forklifts. What's going on, Billy? Jim, knock it off. You know, I was on a walk yesterday with Alea, and I don't think it was coincidence. It was around like 5:45, and there was just so many cars, everyone pulling back into their driveway and uptight, man. This one lady, like, the lady in front of her took like an extra second to like make the right turn at the stop sign, and I see the lady in her car, she's throwing her hands up, like, it's like, yo, relax. What are you just gonna get home, go sit on the couch, like stare at your phone? Chill out. Let the lady make
That's exactly what they're.
let the lady turn, man. Let her turn.
I love when someone behind me. I love when there's someone like that behind me, and I just like drive so slow. Get them so pissed. I can see him in my mirror, like tight as hell.
Grabbing the steering wheel. That's brother Joe.
I'm like, damn, I'm in Florida. Hopefully they don't like pull out a Glock on me or something.
How many of you guys you go by someone driving in front of you like so stupid or slow, and you could be sitting there right before that vibe and glory to the Father, and then this guy start pissing you off, and you're like, you give him the stare and all that when you drive by, right? You give him the stare, like, man, it gets crazy out there on the roads.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
You forgot the music was playing for a second.
Not for real. I was gonna go for a ride yesterday around like 5, and I looked at the clock and it was 5, and I was like, yeah, never mind.
Yeah, I haven't been out too much at 5 p.m.
It's just pointless sitting a bunch of traffic.
All right, we got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes. Where we going, chat? Where we going? So, do we break below daily supports here? If you do, like if you break those wicks, you're going to see a major push, right? Major push down. That's going to be the weekly candle breaking its own low there. So, you can very well see a big push here to the downside. But, you know, you could also, we got to be prepared for price to move up here as well. So, to retrace this whole basically random move that came down so aggressively yesterday or last night in London. So, we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen here. 4 hours still has no top wick. You're still flirting with that support. Starting to push. Starting to pick up some volatility. Here we go.
Entertain me, gold.
Let's see what Raja's doing. Hold on. Raja.
I think it's grabbing liquidity to push up.
Oh.
Yeah.
He thinks
think
it's going to
so.
push up maybe. Oh, John, you can't hear, right?
Nope.
There you go.
I think it's grabbing liquidity to just push up here now.
Okay, Raja.
Yeah.
Thinking.
I'm going to go for a buy over here.
Let's go.
Ooh. They're dropping like it's hot. I'm going to take a buy.
Oh, it's 27 seconds.
And then we shall see
That's whack.
with NFP based on.
Oh,
the
he took
massage I
a
did
buy
on my
already.
head.
He already took a buy.
I do
Oh, no,
think
no. Buy stop.
There's a high probability.
Oh, wow. You guys thought my impulse game was something? Holy. Damn. He's about to get activated.
Yeah, right there. You see this? We got 2 minutes left.
2 minutes. This is the way you want to trade news.
2
Like, you want to
minutes
be in
remaining.
before it. You don't want to get
Oh,
hit
wow,
on the
look at that.
buy stop.
2 minutes left. So if it goes in profit, should I close it and then just? So if it goes in profit, should I close it and then just have a buy stop up over here,
Damn. Roger Wallen.
right? A minute and a half left. This is
Oh.
going to be a make it or break it.
Oh, he's
This is gonna be
activated.
make it or break it here.
This about to
Going
be
all
it. This
in.
Yeah, I'm gonna
pushes
have a
up.
buy stop right up over there. Right
This
up over
dude's
here,
about
I'm
to
gonna have
make
a buy
bread.
stop.
Oh, hell yeah.
Actually, I'm going to secure this.
Oh,
$400.
securing. He has another buy
Yeah,
stop
I'm
up
gonna,
here.
I'm going to secure this $400, $500 there.
NFP gets
Oh.
crazy.
Oh.
Let's watch it on our terminal, then we'll kind of
I'm
we'll
doing
listen
the
to him.
opposite. No,
like
man,
radio.
Don't do the opposite here, buddy.
Buy
Oh, damn.
a-
Did he close in time?
at your own risk, man.
Please don't.
This
I
isn't
don't-
financial advice.
Me no speak English.
All right, $600. Secure this. I'm gonna leave a buy stop up there.
Oh, okay.
And
He's
then
got a
that's
buy
it.
stop here.
I'm just
got
gonna have a
600
buy
to play
stop
with.
placed up over there. That's all what I'm gonna do.
Let's see how he does. 17 seconds, ladies and gents. We broke the lows. Was he right about that liquidity grab to move up? He is right about a lot of things.
Grab your popcorn.
Here it comes. Let's see.
All right.
We're at daily support right
24
now.
seconds
So do we
left.
blow through it or
See
push
how
up?
The spreads are
Down,
pumping up and down.
Down,
Are you
down.
guys ready?
Oh,
Yeah, this is gonna be
glad he
wild.
closed it. Oh, we got a delay on his end.
2, 1. Oh, big move coming. Oh,
Not too
retrace
crazy, chat.
and move
Nothing
up.
too crazy here.
Wow.
4
Oh
hour
my
tapped
God,
into this
nothing.
wick too.
Sheesh.
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Take a gold leader.
We just moved further down. We did flip over there.
Nothing.
Weekly did flip over there.
Wow. Nothing. So let's take a look at the numbers here and see what happened. Oh wow, green numbers here for unemployment change. Oh, I'm sorry, that was CAD. Oh, green numbers here for non-farm payroll. Okay, so yeah, I think gold may continue down. Down we go. Let's see, are we breaking that weekly low? Yes, we have broken the weekly low here. So you may see a drive here. See how we do. We got to get through these wicks. Wow. W. Casino roll, baby. Yeah. Hey, Sam Capital. Oi.
Damn. Morning.
Oi. That was so entertaining, wasn't it, Davey? Oh my gosh. It's what you've all been waiting for. All right, so wow. Yeah, just continuing down. Oh, he's in the chat.
Oi.
Oi. Oi. All right, so yeah, nothing to do here. Nothing. We do want to see price move
trying
down.
to get out of that range.
Yes. There we go. There's our weekly break of the monthly break of the low too, chat. W.
This is perfect though, getting away from all-time highs. Lovely.
Where's green at? Green.
Green, are you out there? What are you trying to call? Aisle 6.
Green checked.
Green, we got one going northbound. Northbound on 82, 83.
Where's Uncle Scout, man?
We got a blader.
Not here anymore, man.
Holy. Yeah, weekly break of that low. Damn. On aisle 4.
Sorry, I was incorrect about that one. Johnny's not that smart over here. It's really going to be an aisle 7. Clean up an aisle 7, Green.
The mod god. Yeah, wow.
Gold pretty bearish, eh?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
150 pip move here. It didn't even seem like that, did it? It really didn't even seem like a 150 pip move.
Did it? I wish gold would have told me this before the move happened so I could have sold you before it happened. But
that would have been lit.
whatever. I wish it was that easy.
Oh, green sweeping with Boston. I haven't paid attention to NBA. What's happening? Once the Rangers lost in the playoffs, I haven't watched a lick of sports since that game.
I don't know either. We need Joe, bro, to explain to us what's happening.
Let me go watch NBA and watch them call a foul on every single play down the court. So they could stop the clock and abuse my attention. USD crushed. Good news on the dollar here. Let's take a look at the dollar. Yup, dollar up. Dollar was down, but now it's up. Holy.
That 4 hour. We'll see how this 4 hour closes too.
Look at that dollar.
Wow.
Slam. What'd the NASDAQ do? Not too much. A little ugly here for NAS. AB Mike, you still trading the NASDAQ? Ugly here. I feel like that's more of an NFP move though. Something that'll break highs and then go down, break lows. This one, man, sellers had it easy here today. Easy peasy.
Seriously. All you had to do was hold.
Celtics ain't sweeping. Uh-oh. Green. Green believes different. You caught the move. Nice. W. Holding. Not so easy, yeah, right? If it was that easy. Hey, just hold. Just hold, bro. All right, so yeah, nothing really to do at this point. Just enjoy the move, and let's wait for the 4 hour here to close. Let's wait on the 4 hour to close. Yeah, we could talk about yesterday's trade too while we wait. Let's go back to yesterday. Where was that? That was where was yesterday? Let's pull it up on the trade of the day.
Shout out Scott. Trade of the days. They've been fire.
Shout out to
Been
Scott.
checking them out every day, and they are absolute flames.
Yeah, so yesterday's trade was you know, we didn't have the greatest price action in front of us. It was a little difficult, like especially to take sells yesterday. This is the 15-minute time frame, but let me pull up the 1 hour time frame on TradingView real quick so we can take a look at that. So this was the 1 hour time frame yesterday, right? So let's get rid of all of this here. Right here, right? So this was the 1 hour time frame yesterday. We had just been pushing down, right? Pushing down, right? You kind of got that that resistance to form, and then this was at, you know, during Asian session, and then all throughout London, you just continued to drive down. And then what happened is, as we approached the desk, which was like right around this time, this is the market that we came to. Right, so very, very difficult to try and take sells. You know, I can hear Raja right now saying, you know, some things that I'm probably not going to say here, but he would say very nicely, don't take a sell, man. You know, it's been going down too much, right? So knowing that, right, and waiting on volume here. So let me try and, what was it again? This one, right? So this candle comes down. This is where we were going to take a sell, right? And then news came out at what was it, 8:30 or 8:15 yesterday? We were gonna take a sell here. I was thinking about using this as a resistance, right? But I wanted to see a legitimate resistance here, like more so not a wick, but like a bullish candle, right? Bullish candle. So we never got that, so never took those sells. We were tapping into that support level right there. Let me get rid of everything. We were tapping into this area here, so very difficult to take sells there, right? Next candle comes down. We needed this candle here to let me go back to the 15 now. So we needed this 15-minute candle, right? Remember, we drew it out. We said, all right, if we can close either at or a little bit above this range right here, then if we get a high and start making a low, we enter on the break of the high, right? Now, let me give you the reasons, right? Because you may say, well, how come we just didn't get in, right? We needed that candle to flip, right? Because what that flip does is that activates sellers, right? That begins to activate sellers into the market. So there's people looking at this move saying, okay, that's our resistance. You know, we're pretty heavily bearish. We should be good to go down. I believe the 4 hour closed bearish there as well, right? And we should be good to go down. But when you don't really understand ranges and how to play the range game and see really what's ahead of you, we had this area right here. This area right here, we're anticipating wicks to come in here, right, to give the daily candle a bottom wick, right? So that's why we didn't want to take any sells in either here or in here. We wanted to wait for closures below, because that allows us to get a closure after breaking the daily low and creating a daily bottom wick. And then to get a closure, that's typically when you're going to see them move down. But being that we closed right at it, right there, this candle came up and made a high, a little bit of a steeper high than I would have liked to. Like, that high came all the way up here, if you guys remember. Price opened up and kind of pushed up, then it started to come down. So only when it came down, that's price activating sellers now, right? So that activation means that sellers are in, stops are sitting up here, you know, somewhere in this range up here, and they're gonna get, you know, they're gonna get tapped, right? So the idea was 915 pre-volume, right, coming in. As you flip, this activates the sellers. Now we have buy stops on the break of the high, expecting now that the hourly candle has gone down, or hourly time frame has gone down so much, tapped into target, that if you break the high, you should begin to get going, right? So that was the idea behind it. And then price just, you know, went up and filled the wick here. That was our main target there. And then I believe that 30 closed bear. Yeah, that 930 candle yesterday closed bearish. Insane. And that's why I closed my position, right? Because remember, hindsight's 2020. This thing went flying yesterday. We know that. But when you see this candle here close, this guy right here, this bullish candle close at resistance with very little to no top wick, yes, we know we have volume coming in, right? And we know wicks do get filled, but we weren't above any of this resistance. We had wicks to the left. We closed right at resistance, almost no top wick. I still don't think it was a bad decision on my end to close the trade, right? Now, one thing, the better decision probably would have been, and or could be moving forward, is to trail stops, right? To put stops below the low, and then possibly could have been, you know, involved for the whole move there. But that's a little bit about yesterday's trade, and how it all kind of played out, the thought process through it, what we were expecting, what we noticed when price was down here, and how we anticipated this pushback up, right? All due to these time frames and ranges that we use to get a read on price. So yeah, that was it. You had that wick to fill. This was your original target. You had a wick to fill. I think price kept traveling up even past these highs too. So yeah, that was the trade there. So it was an impulse trade. This high, I would have really liked it to be somewhere down here. We could have got a better entry, but you know, at the end of the day, you got to take what the market's going to give you. So, you know, that candle pushed up a little bit higher than I would have liked to, but you know, that doesn't mean the trade's not valid. It just means you got a little bit of a higher entry at that point. Yeah, and my goal here with these impulse entries are to see if I can get a read. So back in the day, 2 years ago, I was pretty good at impulse entries, but as I looked around, they were still like 50-50. You know, they worked out really good, but then they also kind of turned around on you. And, you know, on these ones that turn around, you have a opportunity to manage risk aggressively. But my goal is to really get these to sit right along the other playbook positions, right? If this is our playbook, right? Playbook. We got the, you know, the onion, the breakout, the celery, and they all yield about like a little bit less. Let's not even call it 80, right? Let's call it 75% win rate, right? I want to try and see if I can turn this 50-50 here, add the impulse, right? Add the impulse into the playbook, but I still need more data, right? And have that yield like a 75% win rate too, based off of the reasons and the ones we take and the reasons behind it. So I think the last 2 years just sitting out and watching has helped me kind of figure out, you know, how to change this, right? And how to up that a little bit to where maybe we can get it to like 70-30, heck, even 60-40, right? So that's kind of like you know, what I've been preparing for. Now we need data, right? We've only got about 10, 12 trades right now with impulses. I'm going to need that 50 trades. I'm going to need that 100 trades to give you guys a real read on you know, what I've got here in terms of my ideas for impulse entries and like the win rate. And then price just said, I'm out. And then you got to move your screen. When you got to move your screen, you know it's gone. Yeah, price messed around there. Yeah.
And that's going to be the difference in those impulse entries from the 50-50 to getting them in our favor, you know, because in those type of scenarios, that has the high chance, right, of playing out, right? We've been bearish for so long, right? We're at support. There's a high chance we're going to go bullish now, right? And that's when you want to get in those impulse entries, when there's a high probability it works out. I remember Raja saying something really good too, and he said, you always want to, before you get in any trade, you always want to ask yourself, is there a high probability that it's going to work out, right? Because we only want to trade when there's a high probability it works out, and I think that's what's going to separate 50-50 impulse trades versus what we're trying to do now, you know, and that's the type of scenario where there's a high probability it works out. Yeah, because it's like, you know, these types of moves are like when you know that it's going to happen, but you don't get in it. And that's why Nick's been like executing and pulling the trigger now, because of tuition, seeing it happen over and over again. And there's a high chance it works out, and it's been working.
Yep. But, you know, that was yesterday's trade. You know, today's a fresh day, and what happened yesterday, and now we still got to come with the same approach, same patience, same professionalism that we brought to the table yesterday.
Yep. Yes, sir, bro. But you're starting to get some data on it though, so that's lovely.
Yeah,
making progress.
Yep. Yeah, you guys can go study that trade a little bit deeper by taking a look here at this breakdown, and then also rewatching the stream. I would rewatch the stream from like 9 a.m. up until I think we closed around 9:30. So I would watch that half hour. We really kind of had a good read on that, and you know, it played out and did exactly what we wanted to do. And remember, this is a game where the way you are setting things up in your mind is like, if this happens, then we can do that, or if that happens, then we do this. So there's always got to be a if this happens, right? And that's got to happen, then you know you can look to do that. So once the candle closed that day or yesterday, it closed right above that line, right? Going back to the 15-minute. And okay, that has happened, right? So if the candle closes right at support, then now what? Then we need the candle to make a top wick and flip bearish, right? If that happens, then we can get, you know, have a buy stop on the break of the high. And if we get the buy stop on the break of the high, then our first target is going to be this resistance. And if we push through that resistance, then you should come up and fill that wick, right? So we didn't quite close above. That's why we had to make a on-the-spot decision yesterday, which if you close, partials, move stops, whatever that decision was. But then we did end up going up and filling that wick, and that was really the main, you know, the main target for yesterday. Anything above that was not my move. Yeah. What up, TK?
Hey, yo, what's good, TK? Good morning, bro.
Yeah, but the two biggest things in this trade was simply the 1 hour coming into support, right? The 15-minute closing above, and then that flip. That flip right there, it was key. Notice how we were pumping up and I was not in. Right? We were starting to pump up. I didn't even mention we're getting in, right? But once we began to pull back, now if we flip, that's when I was like, all right, game time, right? It's time to work. So that flip was everything there. And then you break the high, and that's where you see the push, right? And then we struggled here for a little bit, and then the next candle ended up taking off. So just some insight on yesterday's trade.
Gems dropped here, man.
And hey, look, we may actually be able to get the same position today, right? Like if this candle here decides to close above this resistance, right? It looks something like this. something like this, right? Where you have a candle that closed right above, wicks down like this, and then the next candle creates a top wick, pushes down, doesn't break the low, and then breaks the high again. There may be an opportunity for that as well, but we've got to have volume coming in, and we've got to see things play out the way we want them. You break, you buy. You break, you buy.
Yes, that's the other thing, bro. Having volume, you know, volume to support your impulse entry and push it up to target.
Yeah. Key is volume. Yeah, and yesterday I was telling you guys, like, you know, some days 9:15 will act like 9:30, right? You will get aggressive moves, big pushes at 9:15. Big pushes. Nice, Sebastian. Good job, bro. Can you have a look at charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. All right, let's see. 45 pip TP, impulse buys, exhaustion wick on the hourly, support, stop loss at break even. Oh, nice. That was earlier, right? That was a bit earlier. I think that was
just recent.
right
yeah,
here,
it was
right?
Like 7.
7:30. Yeah, I think so. What time frame? 30-minute time frame? Yeah. Yeah, that was right here. Yeah, not bad. See how I wanted to see how we messed around here at 39 and we did reject it. So that's why I didn't really like the buys. I you know, you got to get above 39 to have like lasting buys. You know, the push is one thing, but to have like a buy that actually continues up, I think you need to close above 39.
Yeah, that's what stopped me from getting those buys. Just so bearish as well.
Yeah, I was looking into that too, but again, just pre NFP, I have a lot of experience with NFP, so you know, I know typically the move's not going to happen until later. But look at that, you got a really good closure there too. That was at 8, man, so that was money. Thanks, Joseph. Yeah, we're gonna add it. So basically right now we are gathering data, right? So everything I tell you guys to do, I do it, right? So right now we're gathering data. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 16 trades. So that's not enough for me to say, hey, it's in the playbook and let's, you know, right now I'm just collecting data on it. We're doing good so far, but once we get to that 50 trade mark, I think we'll have a good read on it, a good probability on it, and then my goal is to see if we can get it up there. You know, if we can take smart impulse entries that really do give us a higher win rate than a 50-50, that's going to be amazing. But yeah, so far so good. And impulse entries are my, you know, those are trades that I would take a lot before I started the live stream. But then having people watching and people taking the same trades as me, what I started to do was started to just trade the playbook itself, like safer confirmation type of plays. And that's fine too, right? It's very difficult to explain impulse entries as well. It's much easier to watch it, right? But yeah, now I'm just like, yeah, let's do it. Let's get back to it. Where's Chala? Where's Chala today?
Chala.
I know George VDM is a little busy today. Where is TK, how you doing, buddy?
TK.
TK.
Yo, what's good? Got a trade?
You're the Tom Cruise.
Yes. Sendai trader. Nick is a chosen kingdom builder from God.
Amen.
Ooh, Sebastian, Outwitting the Devil. How you liking it, man? That book is fire.
One of my favorite books of all time. Top 5.
So happy I read that when I did.
What up, Hanzo? What's good, Hanzo?
Good, Sam, man.
How you doing?
Nah. Let's
Yeah.
go, Lights Fire. Yeah, I think I'm gonna read that book again. Touch up on it.
Yeah, Outwitting the Devil's it's a deep book. It's a deep book.
Very fire.
My favorite book of all time is the one that God wrote for us. You know, that's my favorite book. Yeah, that's my favorite book.
You got like a favorite book in the Bible? Like Proverbs? Or do you just love it all? Like,
I don't
you
know.
can't
Yeah,
pick?
they're all just so mind-blowing and just captivating to me. Yeah, they really are. I don't know if I can give you a favorite one. What's my
Hey,
favorite
yo, I
book
see-
after the Bible? Don't skip that one, man. Read that one. Don't worry about the one after that one.
Yeah, bro. You can't miss out on the Bible. Come on.
One of my favorite is Acts, you know, because Acts is really where these guys took the message and, you know, were willing to die for it. But I don't know. I don't know if I can even say that because they're just all incredible.
And Acts also focuses on like transformation stuff, you know, too, as well. So I can see how that one's a really good one.
Yeah. I would say, yeah, the magic of thinking big, because that's a very easy one to understand, and it basically hits on everything. Everything you need to turn your life around is in the magic of thinking big, and it's not a quick read, it's an easy read though. It's a page turner.
You would suggest that over Outwitting the Devil just because it's a easier read?
Yeah, it's easier to understand. It's not going to challenge people as much as Outwitting the Devil would. Yeah. Where would I start in the Bible? I would start in the 4 Gospels. So Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. I would start there. John's another one that's one of my favorites. Luke is another one. You know, like I can't even. Yeah, the Book of Daniel, Exodus. I mean, Exodus is like one of the. I had such enlightenment reading and studying Exodus. Like they're just all jam-packed. Four-hour closure coming. 26 seconds. Let's see. We got some giveaways here today, chat. So stretch out. We got a new 4-hour candle close. We're about to enter into a new session. Whatever just happened, who cares? Right? We're about to enter a new session now. We got 7 seconds left on this session before the 4-hour opens. And now we look towards what we got here now, right? So this is kind of like what I've got. You're gonna mess around here. There may be a fake out here. So I was trying to see if we were gonna close below that, or above it. We closed slightly below there. So we're in this range, this choppy range here to the left. I think if we can get back above there, it's good. If we can get below there, it's pretty clean too. Yeah. Lots of fake outs here though, right? You see price come down, push back up, come down, push back up. So maybe during high volume here, we can get candles to push back up.
Hey, love you too, AB Mike.
I read it before bed. Easy read when I'm tired. Yeah, the bed. Hey, before bed, just read Leviticus. There you go. Read that one. You'll fall asleep. Oh, yeah, we got the guitar action here. I guess I was late today. The guitar is a few minutes late. But we got a new 4-hour open here. So 4-hour candles closed. They did close below. There's clean traffic for the 4-hour to continue driving down. The 1-hour candles are kind of stuck within this, right? You got a fake out here. You got a fake out here. So we want to look at this. Also, if you get closures back above, it seems like price been able to move up on most occasions. So yeah, we're gonna pay attention to what is this, 21 here, 23, 21, and you know, let like a 15-minute candle close. 15 struggling here though. Take trade now. Take trade now. Take trade. I bet people blew accounts. Yeah, no doubt about it. No doubt about it.
Every day.
Reading Matthew right now. Nice. Yeah, I'm in another study here in Luke. Every time I study chapters, I almost get more and more insight. I've been studying Luke chapter 4 for the last 5 days. Not a prophet in his own hometown. What a shame.
Right.
Waiting for it to wick up. Nice. Yeah, you got a wick to fill on the downside here too. Wow, that's a 38 pip wick fill. That looks like 5 pips right there.
Dude, the ranges are huge.
Massive.
Crazy.
Napoleon Hill. Yeah.
Legend.
Did I rent it? Rent what? Rent it. It's rented. How could I join the team? You're in, brother. Just Phil, welcome to the team, man. Welcome. You're in, my friend.
Let's go, Yanosh. Yo, Yanosh, I'm at 60, bro. I'm about to do some more right now.
Oh, Sam was here. I didn't know Sam was here.
Nah, I know. I seen him just after he dipped.
Oh, he left?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, Sam. Once one guy's here, yeah, I can't see anybody.
Yeah, I was about to say something, but you were doing the analysis, so. Spence, I believe it was the Forex mindset. Something like that.
Forex mindset, yeah.
That's yeah.
Yeah, that's a great one.
That was the book, yeah.
There's Chala. All right, Chala's home safe. Let's go. How you doing?
How you doing?
We're literally right at support on every time frame.
Yeah, just pull up every day and you're a part of the team, man. There's really no initiation or any crazy stuff. Just pull up, have fun, ask questions, use me to become successful. That's what this is. Don't feel bad, man. Y'all can just use me to make money. Right? Use me to take what you like out of what comes out of my mouth and heart and see if you can leverage it to win in life.
Hell yeah. I don't call Nick every day for no reason, you know? Gotta get some answers.
We won't haze you, bro. Let the hazing process begin. Use him, don't abuse him.
Yo, facts. That's important.
Perez.
So Perez.
Sam Capital. All right, brother. Have a great weekend, man.
Hey, Sam. See you next week.
Peace. Oh. 9:30. 30. Yeah, you may have a 9:30 celery lining up here too. So don't get so impulsy on me, chat. Impulse here, impulse there. Impulses ain't everywhere, you know. Impulses are right time, right place.
Nah.
That's like fun, you know. Fun is doing things at the right time, at the right place, with the right people. You know, impulse, same thing. Right time, right place.
Everyone's thinking of impulse buys right now.
Sniper entry. It's trending. It's trending now. Yeah, big closure here. If you close below on the 30, you should be looking at a celery play.
What support are you looking at? Because I'm looking at
Yeah,
23.15.
let me adjust this because this is a 1 hour. This is the 4 hour support. Let's do a fresh top down analysis here.
Yeah.
So yeah, so daily's kind of pushed down, right? So we've got let me use these. So we got daily candle that's massive, right? Did we break the lows? Yeah, we broke the lows, but haven't really aggressively pushed down just yet. So we did tap into support. Right now in this daily time frame, we can still push down. Don't get me wrong, because the weekly broke the low and the monthly broke the low here as well. So with those lows breaking, you may want to continue driving down, even down into like 2275-ish, right? So let's go ahead and see what that looks like here. Let me take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour did close below support, right? So you did get a 4 hour closure below. Boom. Clearly closed below, right? Now, what do we have below there to the left? So this is the bottom of that daily support, but it is a 100 pip range here, right? So you got a lot of range here. 96 pip move. So the 4 hour still has much room to go. So I don't want to back out of these sells just yet because, you know, we could definitely continue pushing down after making this top wick. So let's see what the daily's saying, or the 1 hour saying. So I would say this is probably a valid support. This is a fake out. Let's look left here. Resistance, resistance, rejection, rejection, support, support, rejection. Yeah, this is probably going to be your main area. Rejection. Yes. So this is going to be our average, right? Our average range there. So I'm going to pay more attention to that range here than this one today. So if you get a closure below there, it looks pretty decent. If you close above, that's when we may see our push back up towards these levels up here at like 40, right? So 2340 to come back up. That's about 160 pip move. So 1 hour is shaping up. We don't know if it's creating its top wick to break the low or if it's trying to close bullish. Let's go get a read on the 30. 30 looks pretty much exactly the same. Same stuff going on here on the 30. Two fake outs here. So yeah, I mean, prices come down in this range multiple times and pushed its way back up. Came down aggressively, pushed its way back up. So definitely open to buys as well as sells here. We've got plenty of room to trade. And I think that's what I'm going to look at here. So potential buys above. Yeah, potential buys above 23.20 on this 30-minute closure.
Yeah, I dig it.
I'd rather take it off the 30 and not the 15 here today. because there's some other areas on the 15 that may play into this. So yeah, 30 closures look pretty clean to come up and, you know, retest resistance, and then we see how we react here. You're either going to push up, or this is where that resistance is going to come up to maybe. So yeah, that's about it. And then you got about 100 pip range coming down, but it's a bit choppy here, right off the 30-minute time frame for sells. Looks good on the 4-hour, but choppy here. So yeah, I'm gonna pay attention to 2320. Yeah, 2320 is gonna be where I'm paying attention to here.
And wait, like, what's your reason again for that? Why are you ignoring the other sports?
Because this is the happy medium on both the 1-hour and the 30-minute time frame. See over here how much action we have, action and reaction to this area. Look at all that. Look at all that. All that.
Yeah.
All that. All that. Look at this wick tapped right into it. Resistance, support, wick, right? So there's a lot going on here. Wick, resistance, support. So yeah, that's why I'm going to focus a little bit more on this range. And if price wants to play this range, which it most likely will, then we'll do it. If not, then it's all good. Yeah, I think you have better sells below whatever this is here. Yeah, because then you could take sells coming down towards this area. So we'll see. We'll see how we play out here. $9.30 celery, yeah. The only way I'm taking these sells is if it's like a $9.30 celery play or something. Otherwise, we may get caught up around 15, right? 23.15 here. Shee, the ranges are massive.
Looks like we're getting 70 pips today.
What up, Dominic? What do we do right now? Right now? Hold the line.
Chill.
Yeah, looking good, looking good. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
We're like a spider in the corner of a cobweb. We're just chilling. Right, we already built our web. We set up our ranges and stuff. Now we just need to wait for our setup, which is AKA in spider terms a fly. Right, when we get that setup, then it will come to us. All we had to do is wait for it. Once we get it, all we need to do is execute. That's it. Keep trading simple, y'all. We don't want to overcomplicate things or overthink it. We keep it simple, and we can understand what we're doing. Good, Pipsqueak. What's good, Rafi? Good morning, bro. Or I should say, good night. Hope you're doing good, man. Dude, just wondering if I can get a temple of the journal. Yeah, exclamation point journal. Right, mods? Yeah. Good, Dominic. Yeah, thank you. Got a trade. Yeah, y'all. Good trading's boring trading. All right, so if you're bored, that's a good thing. Are we taking any trades today? If a trade presented itself, we will take a trade. Like if our setup that we trade shows up, we will take it. So we're waiting on price to print us that setup, right? So 9:15 candle just closed very, very weak doji type of candle. So now we can look to 9:30, go at 9:30, and yeah, go from there. Yeah, but sells are definitely a bit choppy. Like Nick said, I definitely would rather buys. You know, for the idea of the 4-hour to make a steeper top wick and then daily to pull back a bit after just a crazy move down all day today. So that being said, I definitely would like the buys. And a 30 closure will lead us to 930. So that would be great. The only question is, are you gonna wait for it? Why didn't you get in on the 15-minute buys? Well, at least for myself, and I'm sure Nick as well, just a you know, we just wanted a more clear, better confirmation. With being so heavily bearish, you know, we would want a better confirmation for buys. And the 15-minute is a little it's not a bad time frame, but it's more weak, right, than 30-minute, I guess you could say. Yeah, and the 15 really didn't drive up and fill the range that much, right? Like we came back down and closed very weak. So Dominic,
15 never closed above,
man.
did it? Yeah, no closure.
Closure.
No close above. Yeah, 30-minute. We wait for the 30 here now. Damn, saw a pot of orcas this morning? That's living. Sheesh.
Ah,
A pot of orcas. I've never seen a pot of orcas in real life. Orcas are like my favorite animal too. Them things are smart. Oh, NAS back up here. What other pairs you guys trading? Outside of gold. Anything else? Any good reactions on NFP? Nice J4 trades. Where do you live? Where are you? Send me your cap collection. We do a little caps. I don't have that many hats. I may have like 10 hats. That's it. And I usually only wear them on the live stream and when I go to the gym. And everywhere else. No, I'm just kidding. Usually when I go to the gym and sometimes for the live streams, my hair's messy. Oilers or Panthers? I think the Panthers are probably going to win that. Panthers are solid.
yeah, I would say Panthers.
From what I've seen, they made the Rangers look like... I mean, the Rangers
Ash.
play decent, but... Yeah.
Rape the Rangers.
Ten's a pretty good amount, is it? All right, all right. Had a couple buys on USD CAD, which broke even. Okay. Oh, and then it pumped. Happens. It's part of the game. Part of the game. Obviously, today you're gonna see your Twitter traders, and they're probably gonna show you something along the lines of this. Don't fall for it. Lock in with me. Hold on, hold on. They actually have a little bit more audacity than that. Yeah. Hold on, hold on. There you go. Hey, lock in with me. NFP, we don't play. We're money makers. Join our Discord. Yeah, you'll see this all over Twitter today. Oh, hold on. There you go. Perfect. That just happened to be where they got out. It's going to be a great weekend. $5,000 Monopoly money. You know, you guys could buy what is it called? Like movie production money. Most of these dudes be buying movie production money. Yo, not gonna lie, man. These guys are funny. W trade. Yeah, it is because they're using the Eagle 4000. That's true. I took the same trade. Yeah, you see, Inosh was in there. I got your guru beat. I took sells up here last night. Oh, right here. The only problem was I closed here. But I'm willing to tell you that. Yeah. Just had a feel in NFP. I mean, also I do have this this EA, this super duper handy dandy executive advisor who helps me out. It's a robot. It's going to be for sale. Just join the waiting list and you can get on there, but you better get on the waiting list and better jump on it once it comes out because we're not going to be doing a lot of these, right? Yeah. It's easy. So easy. Gives you entries, gives you exits, gives you take profits. All you got to do is spend 5,000 and hold. Just hold. That Eagle 4000 is going for 5,000 now. Watch your mouth. 2 spots left. You guys ever sign up? Sometimes I mess around just to see what's gonna happen. I sign up. They do a big thing where they're got limited time only, limited seats only. Register here to potentially get your seat. And I'll just like type in half of the information. I won't even type the whole stuff in, and I'll just register, and then I'll get the email. I'll get the email like 4 days later. Hey man, you've been selected. We read through this. They have this little custom thing that they write. We've read through it, and you seem like you're a really good fit for the program, and you now have the option to spend $5,000 with me and hook your trading account up to this thingy-majiggy, right? But it's funny. I think, damn, so you guys are taking everybody. What did I do to qualify? Filled out my name? Wasn't that hard. Telegram. Yeah. It's not $5,000. It's $49.99. $4,999. Pay the fee. What account size do I use? I use a $20,000 account. Well, it was 10,000, got it to 20,000, so now it's around like 20, 21. 21, yeah, almost 22. One to 15 RR. Trading view screenshots. That's the best. That's the best. All right, 4 minutes here. Let's see if Gold wants to play nice here today.
Hold back, Gold. A little bit.
Yeah, I think it is a valid fake out. You should kind of retrace here now on the daily. I would expect, especially after we broke the lows and really didn't do much down there, right? We kind of just boink, broke the lows and popped up almost immediately from there. And now we're moving up. So, yeah, it could be a valid fake out here.
Yeah, like even though we are bearish, just where we are on the charts, at price, what the market conditions are looking like, it just is a smart, buy.
Yeah. No, I didn't get the signal from Biden. I told you guys. I got the signal from Scott, man. He was on it, man. He had insider information. Doesn't get much better than last night. Look at that. Nah, I got in my sell here, though. Right here. And then I closed profits, and then it came back up later and then drove. All right, let's take a look at this. Yeah, this was my sell last night. Sheesh. Massive stops.
No, bro.
Wow, that's 100 pips right there.
Massive stops for what? A massive TP, I'm sure.
Yep. All right, we need to see this candle leave a wick. If this candle doesn't leave a wick, then there's no trade for me. So it has to pull back a little bit, leave a wick on the top. Because if not, then very easily the next candle can drive down, right, and continue pushing. Hey, what's up, Mark? There he is. Mac.
Good, Mark. Good morning.
Hey, yo, I seen this funny picture. It said, hold on, where's Discord? Just read this in your own head. If you guys know people from Boston, then this will make you giggle a little bit. I lost my khakis. I lost my khakis. I lost my khakis.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to use current candle stops here.
Current candle stops. Yay. Yeah, we got massive ranges here. Massive ranges. Sheesh. Alright, 22 seconds. Yeah, we may be forced to use wherever this low comes into. We may have to use that. Because this is 100 pips. 90 pips, right? Oh, 90 pips, yeah. Sheesh. The top of that resistance is 120 pips. So we need a low. So if we can get a low here, something coming down a little bit steeper than that, then I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Give me something a little bit better than that though. Little bit better than that. I want to see if we can re-break that low here again. So if it breaks the low, comes down a little bit more, I'm going to have a buy stop. For all those with the 5-second delay on YouTube. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, nothing yet. If it drives, it drives. If this is the wick, so be it.
ID.
What pair are we watching? Gold. We're on gold. Oh, just do 2x speed. It'll only be 2.5 second delay. Let's go. Kill shot with the gem. All right, there it is. So now I'm going to have a buy stop here. Boom, buy stop. Boom. Oh, hold on. That needs to be the break of the highs. Hold on, chat. I gotta redo that real quick. All right, yeah, this is good now. So now we got a bottom wick. I feel much more comfortable now. Buy stop. Boom. Let's see if this is gonna be the bottom wick. I'm gonna have to adjust this. For now, I'm gonna leave it. And yeah, that's the vibe here. So buy stops on the break of the high, expecting a pullback. That pretty much targets have been tapped on the higher time frames. Gonna look to close partials right around this area, which is 37 here. So buy stops, break of current candle high, TP1, and then TP2 is basically the target is really up towards like 52 here. So if we can see, let's say the 4 hour now breaking its own high, that's another good thing too, is our entries, the 4 hour high there. We can see price continue pushing up. This candle doesn't have a top wick really. So let's see if we break that high again. Daily's trying to pull back, trying to see if it wants to keep going. So we shouldn't break that high and then come back down. If price wants to drive down, it should start driving down here, right? It shouldn't come back up and re-break the high. When's the giveaway? The giveaway is we're gonna do the giveaway right around a little bit before we head off.
Walk today, bro?
Huh? Yeah, today.
Walk today?
Oh yeah, I'm
Let's
down.
run it. Bet.
Well, my stops are gonna be below this current candle here. So this is my trade right here. If we push down lower, I may have to adjust that, but as of right now, those are the stops.
Big.
Bump,
Damn, almost 80 pip stops right now.
Sheesh. Hey Nick, good morning, brother. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? 15 pack runner? Oh yeah, maybe. Maybe, baby. Yeah, the only way I look at sells here is if you close below now. So if you close below here at 945, then there may be some sells coming down. But other than that, if we stay above here and re-break that high, these buys are looking pretty good. You can put them above the previous candle if you want. The previous candle is going to be the actual 4 hour high itself. It's like 16 pips, so I think I'm going to work with this current high here and do it like that. What do I define a pack runner as? If this low kind of, you see how this candle doesn't have a bottom wick? So a lot of times what'll happen is, like, let's say a candle doesn't have a bottom wick. So it looks like this. The next candle will come down and give it a bottom wick. So boink, and then pull up. So that push down below this low here is basically a pack runner. This line right here. The packy out. Yeah, packy out. 1 sec.
Back. In. Ooh, got stopped because of wrong lot size. Damn. In TradingView, can we move by drag and drop the limit order? Yeah, you can. Gotta drag your stop loss like it was MT5. I'm not sure if it does it on the limit order, but the stop order, because I usually just place buy stops and sell stops, and I'm able to drag my stops in TP wherever. What are the plans for this weekend? Not much. Work on myself, you know, study the trades I took this week, see what could I have done better, what did I do, what did I do that wasn't that good. I'm playing some golf too this weekend, so that'll be fun.
Tomorrow morning,
that's really
baby.
it.
Lock it in.
Hey, just prepare myself for Monday. Hell yeah, let's go. Get it tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Be there, be square.
There, be square.
Yeah, I'm playing golf Saturday morning and Sunday morning. But I think I'm going to take a little break from golf next weekend. What stop do I use? I'm forced to use the stop right here, you know. And if we're forced to use that stop, then we got to lower our lot size, you know. We got to lower our position sizing. So make sure wherever your stop is that you can afford what you're going to risk.
Yes.
Meaning if you normally trade 10 lots, right, I would go half risk, right, and just trade 5 lots here because you may have a steeper wick than you can handle at a 10 lot. You just got to use the noggin, man.
That's it, bro. Like Henry Ford said, the hardest job in the world is to think, and that's why many people don't do it. So if you just start thinking, you're going to separate yourself like massively.
Yeah, or you just don't take the trade. You know, you just maybe sit out this trade or wait for another candle to close and then take, you know, maybe you get a better stop. So like maybe this candle we don't get activated on, and then the next candle, let's say it closes like weak or bearish, maybe the next candle gives us a bottom wick. Something like this, right? And then we take that low as our stop loss. So that's the only other option. Other than that, this is the best, most logical stop outside of down here. And down here is way too steep. Way too steep. Not much going on here at 9:30, so 9:45 might be the bigger play. You guys live close to each other? Yeah, we do. Yep, not too far down the road.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Dylan, you're playing tomorrow too? Let's go.
Good luck, Dylan.
How do you draw that purple line? Shh, that's the secret indicator there. Holy. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. How much of my account do I use? Risk? It's always different, but like anywhere from like 3 to 10%. Pay the fee. You want that purple line, man? You gotta pay the fee.
Hey, lights fire. Tennis with the wife? That's fire, bro.
Tennis, baby. Let's go. If it does break the high, you'll most likely get this thing like rumbling quickly, right? It's start pushing up, break the high, and then get going. We shouldn't see much struggle here if we break that high. Are you on a gold trade? Nah, not yet. Buy stops not activated yet. So I got a buy stop here. Why didn't I take the entry of the opening of the 1 hour? It closed below. I don't know. It's probably too early in the 4 hour for me to make a split decision like that. I know the 1 hour opens up a new 4 hour, right? So I always want to give that 4 hour just a few minutes to open up and give some direction. All right, so let's see what's going to happen here. There's the pack, right? So that could be the pack there, but it may start pushing down too. So just got to wait. Just got to wait. The 1 hour celery ain't looking bad either. If the 1 hour, so if this candle, if this 30 closes below, that also means that the 1 hour gives us a celery play, right? And then the 4 hour is bearish as well. So that would make me flip my bias here and actually look towards sells. The secret is the purple, yeah. Pay the fee. What up, cyber trader? Cyber tech trader? Man. Chat, where y'all at? I had to grab another excess. Chat got slow motion.
Yeah, right. For
Yesterday,
Friday,
chat
I
had
was slow.
motion. Today, chat got slow motion, like no motion. Slow motion.
Yeah, facts. Chat, let's go. Let's bring this energy up. We lit. It's Friday.
It's Friday, yeah. Saturday,
up the
Sunday.
beach.
Dun, 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 dun. Some of y'all, it's like Friday evening too. Where's the hype at? You guys ain't at no parties yet? No family parties popping off?
That's
Friday things, man.
Yo, chat, what's good? What's your weekend plans? I told you mine. I want to know.
Put a W in the chat if you're a 12-figure trader.
A 12-figure? Hell yeah. A 12-figure
Yo,
trader.
chat, you guys went nuts yesterday. I was sitting there just smiling. Yo, yesterday at the end of the stream, you guys, I don't even know how you guys were still going. I literally shut the stream.
I'm a 2-figure trader. And bro, we gotta pick it up.
Oh, kids baseball, nice.
Lunch
Oh,
with the
Ice
wifey,
Pops.
nice Sandman.
Ice Pops is on the way to the ice cream truck. Let's go. Sounds about right. See Melly playing golf this weekend. I'm drinking a 40-ounce beachside all weekend. Holy.
Sounds like a vibe, bro.
Sounds like a vibe. Underneath the pier? You going underneath the pier? Or are you able to drink on the beach now?
Oh, nowadays you're probably able to.
Smoking a brisket? Ooh. That sounds
Oof,
good.
bro, chill. Sounds fire.
40 ounce of water. Oh, there you go. There you go. Perfect.
That's how we gotta do it, Nick. Smoke a brisket, bacon.
Some bacon
Those
around it.
pool
I'm
day-
down.
Those pool days.
All right. Bye-bye buy stops. So I'm going to delete these buy stops for now. Maybe something will play out in a little bit. But yeah, buy stops have been deleted. Do I use the same playbook for crypto? I don't trade crypto, so, but if I did, I would.
Yeah, I mean, these are market patterns, you know, so why not?
But basically, as long as you're trading and you're trading with candlesticks, because some traders don't use candlesticks. They trade with other stuff. But if you're using candlesticks, then yeah, this is a really good system. You just gotta cater it towards whatever pair you're trading. Smoking an onion. Bye. Yeah, bye stops. There you go. Wow. Today's your last day at your 9 to 5, Edson? W. That's a family victory right there.
Give yourself a pat on the back, brother. Good work.
W. Sheesh. That's a major accomplishment there.
It really is, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go, bro. You're buying back all your time now to focus on yourself. That's awesome.
Yep. So this little wick fill is working out, but it threw a bullish closure above the range in our way, so we couldn't have really participated in that. Maybe some of you guys did. Not me, though. We'll see. We're coming down to support now, so.
Sales are just so choppy for me.
It's just been coming down for forever. Forever!
Are you gonna do the giveaway now? Or
Possibly. Someone's telling me something about centralized and yeah, you can go like if we go over to crypto now, let's say we looked at like Bitcoin, it all plays out, right? Same exact deal here, right? So there's an onion play here, there's an onion play here, celery play here, right? Everything is there. So you can use it, right? You got a breakout here, push down, breakout here, pushed up. So it's available. You just got to understand the movements of these pairs, So not every pair is going to move at 9:30 a.m. or 8 NY open, right? Like gold would. Gold is heavily influenced by the New York session and the US dollar. So if you're trading something else, then you got to figure out the little nuances and details and volume times. But other than that, you could use the system and pull some money. Pull some shmoney out the markets. How come I don't trade the playbook for swing trade? No reason. Swing trading doesn't fit my personality too much. That's all. Boring. Yeah, so look, we got no wick on the 15, right? We got very little to no wick on the top wick. You didn't close above, or you didn't close below support here either. So our hopes are still alive. Next idea is the target tap setup, pretty much. We're bringing it out, Scott. We're bringing it out. Bring out the big guns. No one likes to swing trade? I only swing trade crypto. Gold, yes, it has really moved down 700 pips. It really has. Wow. Wow. 30-minute celery play. Yeah, coulda. Yeah, you could have played that. I didn't like it because it closed back in the range. Order filled. Small difference between trading view and trade locker. Yeah, that happens with the futures charts too. Every broker is gonna be a little different. Little different.
We're pushing through these supports.
All right, next target's tapped. Goldie don't want to stop.
I guess that's fine.
Gotta trade. Gold's gonna do what it wants to do, right? Nothing we could do about it.
At least we tried to put an order in today, or we did put an order in. So
We tried.
Gold didn't want to give us the deal though.
But maybe it still got something for us.
Maybe.
Let's go down to the 1 minute and find some opportunities here. We're getting desperate.
Fiending.
Oh, NASDAQ pumping up here. Yeah, this doesn't look too bad here. 7 minutes for a 15 close.
Yeah, but Gotta Trade said we always got Monday too, so.
Oh yeah, that's right. There is another day to trade. Yeah, okay, cool. So we don't have to risk the account on NFP here today. All right.
Almost forgot about that.
That's right. Instagram? Yeah. Instagram is right here. Right. One minute chart. Yo, we leaving with something, Don. The Don. Call it. Give me the signal, the Don. Give me the signal. Chat. Some of y'all need to press Scott for a signal right now. Scott, give us something, man.
Please.
We don't have to retire today? Nah, man. It could be Monday.
Yeah, facts. Z Gamer. Big facts. Yay, Ryan. Earl Nightingale is a gem for sure.
All right, man. We may have something coming up here. We may have something. What do you think, Green? Scott, what's so funny, bro? Where's that signal? Am I buying or selling?
About to sneak a deal out of gold here. It's a low-key type of deal. I'm itching, Louis G. Yeah, y'all, we're chilling though, you know. we're not gonna, all jokes aside, you know, of course, Monday, there's always Monday. We're not gonna make dumb investments here. We're only gonna get in a trade if it's smart, if there's a high probability it works out. We don't do any of that, you know, over trading, over risking type of things. We're gonna stay professional, you know, because this is a business at the end of the day, and this is my business, so gotta make sure we're good.
Nobody knows nothing.
But nobody knows nothing.
Wow, if we go lower than this today, that's an impressive move. All right, why don't we do a giveaway here?
Thanks, gotta trade. Yeah, let's do the giveaway, bro.
We got 3 minutes. Let's just hold tight on the giveaway. One sec. We still got work. We still got work to do. Let's see how this candle closes real quick.
The gamer. You're looking for that no bottleneck.
Two minutes. Gold's dumping. That's right. Dumping.
Be playing with support.
We're playing with
Right at it. 4-hour tap target.
All right, dropout trader. Later.
Ace.
Maybe Trump tweeted something. Maybe. He's probably like, screw Biden. Yo, his campaign videos, this dude goes hard, man.
He's a G. Gotta trade. Gotta trade's got that Glock on him.
Gotta trade. Oh.
Careful.
Stadler Adams. Hey, can you guys all picture Stadler Adams in his house right now? Like, just pressing the L button. Hey, man.
Dude's
God
like
bless, bro.
10.
The fact that you have time to do that, man, you're more free than me, dude.
A free man that's broke.
You got
That's
more
not the
time.
free
You got a
outcome.
lot of time on your hands, bro.
I don't want to be free and broke. I'm good.
Lay off the tap order, G. Nikola Tesla in the house. What's good? What's good? Maybe he means L for lessons. Maybe he means L for love. Love.
Maybe.
We love you, Mr. Adams. All right, look. Do we have the same exact position as yesterday? Very interesting here. Very interesting. Let's see if we can come down a little bit, retap into that yellow line, that purple zone, aka the Eagle 4000 indicator. If we get that, then we break the highs again. I'm probably gonna have a buy stop here.
Yeah, you like the idea of that 4-hour tap target now, daily tap target, pullback.
This candle has to flip bearish though to come down and then break the high. You got a new 30-minute, new hourly as well. 4-hour tapping into target here. We just gotta hope to see if we get a bottom wick. Yeah, we want to see price kind of tap back into like 2307 here, fail to break that low, and then re-break its own high.
Y'all got to trade.
Oh look, the infinity. Dumb and Dumber. Blind leading the blind.
Good purpose.
They come out on Fridays, chat. The freaks come out on Fridays.
Fridays are wild.
Alright, we gotta flip though. We gotta flip. If this thing just belts up, it's okay. Didn't your mama tell you, just because your friend says he's gonna jump off the bridge, you don't do it too? Come on, man. Don't be stupid. I'm trying to help y'all, man. I want a t-shirt. Time to eat. Yeah. TTE. Hey, lights fire. We gotta work on that.
I want a shirt too.
TTF. Time to flip. Yeah, we've seen a lot of volume come in at 10 a.m. here lately too, so we'll see.
Maybe that's for all the 9:30 volumes at 10 a.m.
Yeah. Well, we actually did get volume here. This 9:30 candle was pretty big.
That's true.
Let's see what this would be. All right, there's the flip. We want to see it drive a bit now. Let's see if we can come down into let's take a look here. Yeah, I want to see a little bit more of a flip than that. I want to see a drive here, right? There's a lot of excuse me, sellers that have sell stops there. So let's see if we can get into that purple zone.
Definitely, bro. Activate all the sellers, and then continue up.
Yeah, because right now we're going against the muscle here, right? The muscle is pointing down, but we understand that most time frames have pretty much tapped potential targets, right? So we can maybe begin to pull up from here, but we got to give another attempt down into that purple range, 2308, and then we'll see if we can re-break the high from there.
Let's go, Ronky. Let's get it. W. What do you, you're putting stops below that current candle or that previous candle low, or below that previous, or what?
This low here.
Current?
Don't.
Previous.
Yeah. If that's the only low we get, it's whatever. But if we can break the low and push down, then I'm interested. If we don't do that within the next like couple minutes, then we'll do the giveaway.
Where real patience comes in, y'all, and discipline.
Have y'all had a personal mentor? Yes, absolutely.
Hell yeah, definitely.
Mentorship is so important.
That's the first step to anything you're trying to accomplish.
Yo, Nick, do sniper entry. Do the snipe. Oh, Purpose in the house. Yo. Sorry, brother. Damn, I didn't see you there.
That's good. Purpose.
I did not see you there, Purpose. Please forgive me. All right, there it is. So, yeah, gonna have some buy stops here. Buy stops for me. So we tapped into that purple area here. Sellers should be in the game. It may drive down. That's cool. Right? If it drives down, it drives. It's fine. But if we do re-break that high, that's where you should see the pump up towards like 23.15 and then, you know, 23.19 and possibly even 25 there. The purple indicator, man. It's not for sale yet. We're still fine-tuning it. How you doing? Never seen me take this trade before? I guess you haven't been around the last month. Because this has been the play. Still very dangerous. Still very risky, right? Don't take this trade, chat.
Every trade's risky. Come on.
Yeah. Selling to the support? No, I'm not selling. I'm going to take a buy here. Yeah, so there's something here at 15, right? So we got to be aware of that when it comes to partials or break even, right? This area up here. Let's just put a line there real quick. Oh, okay. It lines up perfectly with partials. Perfect. My stops, so the way my trade's going to look is if we do get activated, it's going to look something like this. Stops are going to be below the wicks there. TPs are probably going to be up here, somewhere around these areas, like 25, even up as far as like 36 here. But initially, 25 is good enough for me. And partials are going to be, you know, right around this 35 pip mark. $35 pips. All right, cool. So I have been activated here. So activated in, and yeah, we'll see if this could work out. Boom. Cool. So yeah, I'm in. I am in.
In.
We'll see if it works. We'll see if she works. So we did tap into that area there. So that could be where we reject. That happened pretty quickly. But yeah, that's my position. We're in. We tapped into 15 there. But I didn't go break even or close partials or anything. I'm just going to see if we can get some volume here and see if this thing could ride. Anticipating that we failed to break or fill the wick, rejected right there at that purple line, and that we could potentially continue moving up. Yeah, I think that was like 20, yeah, about 30 pips. That happened fast.
Damn, bro, that happened real fast.
Too fast for me.
Yep.
I'm gonna take this on my top one account too.
Yep, and just because there's a high chance of it working out, that doesn't mean it's definitely gonna work out, and that's 100%, right? So always remember that there's odds.
The odds, the probabilities.
It's a probability game.
Yeah, it worked up into this point, but we have to push up from there if we really want to see price drive here. Again, we're fighting the bigger muscle, but we are at a target, so that's why we have taken this entry. Noticing no wick on 1 minute charts. No wick. Secured 20 pips. Nice job, Z Gamer. It was fast.
Buzzy Gamer.
It was fast. Didn't get why I bought there. The reason for the buy here is because the daily has tapped target, right? Push through these zones here, tap target here. The 4 hour is also kind of tapped into these targets as well. The 1 hour also tapping into these targets. Same thing with the 30 minute, and then the 30 closing right at support, 15 closing right at support, entry on the break of the highs. This could be where we begin to pull back here at 10 a.m. for price to drive back up, you know, just to like retrace after, you know, running down and hitting its target. So that's kind of the idea here with the impulse entry. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far so good though. We didn't push through here. We broke the highs there, so let's see if we can come on up and re-break them. It was too fast, man. It was too quick. If you secured, W. W. Secured 20, nice. Yeah, how about we do the giveaway too while we wait? Why don't we do that? You guys want to do a giveaway? We'll keep price over here, and let's start the giveaway. Hold on one sec. Okay, so if you guys are not in our Discord, you guys got to join our Discord right now. Go to the giveaway, where is it? Giveaway channel. Right here. Giveaway channel, and you can start spamming here. We're going to pick somebody. I'm just going to randomly stop this at a certain point and pick somebody for a 25K challenge account. Let's go. Let's go. Turn it up. Turn it up. You guys can see the giveaway channel, right? Ah, there we go. All right. All right, let's do it. We got 4 $25,000 challenge accounts. So we got 100K in challenge account to give away here today. We'll do 2 of them here, and then we'll do 2 of them on the live chat. Cool. So let's start in the Discord. We'll do the first 2 in the Discord, and then we will do the rest of them in the live chat. So let's do it, chat. So the first winner of the 25K challenge account, thanks to Clay and Matt from Top 1 Trader, is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Habibi, 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 Habibi. Let's go. Hey. Yo. Let's go. Let's go, Habibi. W. Habibi, come to Dubai. Hey man, congrats. I just messaged you, so don't forget to message me back. Otherwise, we'll just give it to somebody else if you don't want it. All right, let's go. Ready? The second giveaway here is going to go to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations on your 25K challenge account. Who's this? P. P. Where you at, P? He's a believer roll. Let's go. Yo. All right. W. Oh, free seat. Oh, man. Oh, all right. You got a free boot camp. There you go. Sorry, I didn't see your message about the free seat. Chat, my DMs be crazy. All right, let's do this one now from the actual YouTube. Yeah, the YouTube live stream. Let me pull up the live stream here. All right, here's the live stream chat. Here we go. Here we go. All right, you guys ready? So the winner of the third 25K challenge account goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Avado. Avado's becoming a popular name out here too. All right, Avado.
Oh,
W, my friend. Avado, message me on Discord, please. And we'll get your account all set up, my friend. W, congratulations, man. Congratulations, everyone. Let's pick the third winner here. Third winner. All right. The fourth winner. I'm sorry. Y'all weren't even gonna correct me. All right, the fourth winner here goes to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Bushashen. You are the winner. W, my friend. W. Message me on Discord, please, so we can get you your account. Yeah. And if we close this trade with a W, maybe we'll give one more away.
hey,
Congrats, guys.
Hey, the 15 looks good.
100K, just like that. Our hopes are that you treat these accounts seriously and that you take them into next week and begin to apply the knowledge you've been learning and get off to a good start.
Facts.
I say his name funny? Bushasha? Bushasha. How you doing?
That was
Congrats.
a great 15 close though for your position.
15 closed. Okay. All right, 15. W. Congratulations, guys. W. WW. Discord's still going. Oh my god. Yo. Discord's broken. Discord going crazy. Holy. We got motion. We've got some motion here today.
Oh,
Damn. I'm getting dizzy over here. This is what I see. Getting dizzy. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Dum, 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 dum. Let's see that 15. Let's see if that 15 could break the high here. This is our area of rejection, right? This is our area of rejection here.
I'm looking at 36 for B.
For B, yeah, I'm looking up there too. I got my partials there, so we'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. Discord going crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm probably going to manage risk here and bring my stops up just in case we decide to reject here. So stops are going a little bit below the 15-minute candle lows, managing risk, cutting risk in half pretty much. A little bit more than half. And yeah, we'll see if this thing wants to take off. 10 a.m. Does it have volume? Low volume? No, some days it does, some days it doesn't. You've made a big move here, NFP, so that's probably what's going on. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go break even. Yeah, I'll just take all the risk off here. We'll go BE, and we'll see if this thing wants to run. So no more risk on the table at all. Risk-free trade. It's tap into that area in which we have marked off, but if we push through, we should be good to go.
Take it.
We're breaking the high here, so let's see if we can push on up. Dun, dun. Explain the trade. I think we already explained it a bunch. Let's let it play out here, see what happens, and then we'll give it an explanation. Nice. 47 pips. All right. Lovely, lovely. Can we pump up a little bit more? There it is. All right, chat. Partials have been taken here. So just secured partials at 63 pips, and now she running. She run. We got a runner.
Keep running. Keep
Break free.
freaking running.
Partials have been taken right here, and that's the game. That's all she wrote. Partials. Bam. Oh, let me close this on my top 1 account. Holy. Up 7,000.
Alright.
Take that.
I took that on the 15.
Nice, dude. Yeah, I'm closing top 1's full thing right there. Boom. W. W, chat. Another one. Great Friday here. Yeah, if you took the trade, spam a W in the chat. Freaky Fridays, man.
Alright. Yeah, we're good trade. We out for this walk now, bro?
We out. Pip and dip. Pip and dip.
We're going, I think we're going straight to 43.
Oh, yeah.
Or, I'm
W's in
sorry.
Discord. W's
I'm sorry,
in
25.
Yeah, we may tap out right there. Yeah, it's Friday. I'm gonna close my full position right here. I'm out. And I'm out, chat. And that's the game here today. So patience paid again. Being very scientific with this stuff and really waiting for the right opportunities, it'll pay off, you know, and not jumping at anything, but jumping at the best, right? So just close full right there. Full TP, about 80 pips. Nice trade.
Oh, back-to-back days.
Nice
35
week.
pips.
Nice
Get
lead,
it.
chat.
Lovely way to end it.
Yeah. I held today, you know, I didn't want to be soft and close at these wick fills. I really believe that we can get up towards like 19 here, and especially up towards 20, so I didn't want to be a little crumble cookie here today, you know what I mean? Y'all got to call me out if I'm being a crumble cookie.
I do all the time, bro.
Yeah,
It's all good. I didn't hold
Friday.
either, so I closed too. I was a little
What a Friday.
soft.
Update the record. Let's mark that up. And well, I lost my khakis. Chat, we lost the khakis. All right, AB Mike, I'll update the record. Yo, it was time to eat, man. We ate there. Good job, chat. Good job. Yeah, if you didn't take it off the impulse and you took it off the 15, that's going to be obviously your more conservative trade right there. But all in all, it was a very, very nice impulse entry, in my opinion. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did. And hey, yo, drawdown's a part of the game, right? Gotta be able to handle drawdown, be able to handle the trade fluctuating and profited and negative, and be okay with that because it works out. At the end of the day, it's part of that process. So yeah.
Facts. Headshot, Kelp. Yeah, headshot, brother. Doink. Bink. All right, let's mark that up. So as you've seen, the volume came in for us, right, at 10 a.m. Volume came in, did us right. Let's update the record, and then let's get up out of here. Let's go enjoy the weekend.
Good.
We got one more giveaway. We got y'all. I promise you guys. If we win, we'll do one more.
Let's hurry up and do it so we can get on this walk.
Go ahead, pull up. You
Alright, bet.
you don't have to stay for the giveaway.
Alright, bet. So, great trade, great week, chat. It was great vibing with you guys. I'll see you guys Monday. Let's have a good weekend and come back and do our job.
Oh, this is July.
Peace, y'all. Stay blessed. Nick, I'll see you in a bit.
All right, brother. See you soon.
All right, peace.
Peace. June 6th? June 7th. All right, good trade, chat. Good trade. Gold buys. Impulse. Let's explain that trade. We'll break it down. We'll do a giveaway, and then we'll get up out of here, all right? That was, we took that off the 15 or the 30. I can't remember. 15, right? Yeah. I can't remember. I think it was the 15. All right, sweet. Good one. All right, let's talk about the trade real quick. We'll do the giveaway and then we'll get going. So, you know, going back to really just regrouping right after the 4-hour closure, right? So once the 4-hour closed, we wanted to regroup, right? So we seen that we did close below support. We understood that there was still a 100 pip range going down, but it wasn't our cup of tea. Right, it wasn't our cup of tea. I did understand that there was a nice range down. There was also a nice wick to fill, but things just didn't line up for us, right, on the lower time frame. There was a lot of fake outs and resistances, and at that point we were kind of like, let's let the move down go, and if we do decide to come back, that's going to be our play here today. So that was kind of what started to you know, form up in my mind once we hit this, right? So you see this candle here, 1 hour target. 1 hour came down, filled the wick, right? We laid off of these cells. We came down into that range, which was the bottom of the range here, right? Let's go look at it on the 1 hour time frame, right? Major support levels here, major support, resistance, all that, right? So the idea was, can we close, excuse me, right above it and not below it? And what did I say? We have basically the same exact trade as yesterday forming now. So what happened here? Price kind of opened up. We pushed up again just like we did yesterday. We did not take buys there. We did not even think about taking buys there. I'm sure some of you guys did. But what did we do? We waited, right? Candle flipped, gave us a little bit of a wick, went back up, still did not budge on the buys, right? What did I say? If this thing drives up, so be it, right? Who cares at that point? We need to have this wick back into this purple zone. Again, activating sellers, pushing back in, making it look good, making it look enticing for sellers to get in, luring people into the market. And you had a high, you had a low. It hit exactly where we wanted it to hit, which was 2308. And then the entry was just simply on the break of the high, right? Entry was on the break of the high as we were expecting to pull back from here. You had this whole range now to come back up, right? So you got basically from here, support to resistance. This is going to play a minor role in the trade, right? Although you have clean traffic here, there's a little bit of, hesitation right here, and that's why you see price hesitating right now. So that's got to be your area in which you make a decision, whether it's close partials, break even, whatever you want to do, right? That's just an area to make a decision in. And yeah, we got there, right? So that was the idea, is to see, can we get it to pump back up and come back within this, you know, this white box, somewhere within this white box here. So that would be enough for us to take partials and move about our day. So it was another impulse entry. If you didn't take the impulse entry, you could have waited for the 15 onion there. And then that would have been a great trade as well. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Same exact trade as yesterday. We didn't do anything different. Yep. Not a ting different. You guys have any questions before we get going? Questions, comments, concerns? Keep dialing this in, right? If you guys haven't really got it down yet, it's okay that you guys keep letting these trades go, just watching us do it and learning, right? That's the big thing, is learning. It took me 2 years to really dial this in, and I feel like I've got a good read here. So if it takes you time, you know, time is your edge. Let's see, any good questions? Let's see. Adjusting the levels, yeah, you gotta, that's where ranges really come in, and your range game has got to be on point, you know what I mean? That's why we Louis G, that's why we really take the time to do a completely fresh analysis here at the 4-hour chart, because we want to get acquainted with the fresh condition that's in front of us, right? So if we would have used our ranges earlier, they may not have made sense, but once you regroup, and that's why I really enjoy treating our trading session like this, right? 7 to 9, and then 9 to whatever, 11, and this becomes a whole new ball game. So being able to, you know, regroup, draw out charts again, do a top-down analysis again, I think has been helping us as well, just to get a more clean perspective on the current condition after that 4-hour close. So that was that. Let's see, any questions? Today's my birthday. Happy birthday, Dower. W, great job. Do you think the onion's forming to drive down? Yeah, so you can move down. So now we can say, all right, well, if we struggle here, we may continue to move down. But man, that's the day. You know, that's the day for me. You're basically in this range here now. So you could wait for the onion and push down. But if you took the buy, just call it, man. Just call it. You said a new playbook is coming? Yeah, new playbook video is going to be coming. I'm probably going to do that not this weekend, but next weekend. I'm taking off of golf and gym Saturday and Sunday next week to put some content together. Yeah, you could do it. Yeah, you could do that same trade on the 15. Yep. If it creates a new support. Yeah, but now you want to close your above 20 here. So you want to see a close above 20 now. Do I recommend any prop firms? Just Top One. Top One Traders, the recommended prop firm for me. Other than that, I don't know any of these guys. The whole prop space is a bit sketchy. I would only recommend Top One. Do I trade every day? Monday through Friday. All right, cool. I think this is great work. Scientific. Scientific, man. This ish scientific. Yeah, let's do one more giveaway here, and then let's get out of here. Time to enjoy life. I mean, I've been enjoying life my whole time here, but you know what I mean. Time to get off the charts, have fun, and shut it down. Is it a live session every day? Yeah, Monday through Friday. Yep. Give me one funded account, man. All right, and the winner is, where'd he go? Oh, just kidding. All right, your questions are gone, chat. Sorry. So let me just let me do one more giveaway here, and hopefully we could bless someone as they move into next week. We're gonna stop it in about 10 seconds, right? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is, boom, Jessica Lake. W, Jessica. WWW. Jessica Lake's been around for a while. Familiar name right there. Great job. Yeah, congratulations. Shoot me a message on Discord, Jessica, or shoot TK a message. If you guys can't get a hold of me on Discord, which is a high possibility, message that guy TK on Discord, and he'll get everything set up for you. All right. So that's it. We got more giveaways next week. We'll do more 25K challenge account giveaways. But excellent job here today, chat. Way to really stay patient. We had lots of profits here from earlier in the week. Our main goal today was not to blow them, right? If we could multiply them, great. But our main goal this week or this day here on NFP was just not to blow it. And we didn't blow it. We actually did multiply it, and that's a big W. We followed our plan to the T. We didn't give in on market movement. We waited for our opportunities and our opportunity only, and we hit it with the headshot, man. So Friday headshot, and I think that's it. Great stream, chat. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for staying active, asking good questions. That's what this is all about. Let's continue to sharpen each other and make each other better, and continue to move on, getting closer and closer to that 8-figure trader mark. Mods, thank you guys for coming by. I don't think you guys had to. Hey, the mods been chilling, man. It's been a good last couple months. Light work, you know. Not too much shooting for the mods there. Hopefully you guys didn't have to shoot today. You know, hopefully those other two guys, they kind of got the point there, right? But yeah, mods, thank you guys so much for doing everything you do, and everyone else. Great to have you guys here today. I'm praying for you guys, hoping blessings for you and your family this week. If you did good in the markets, you've been blessed. Go out and bless somebody else, man. That's what we're called to do. We're called to be blessed, to go be a blessing, right? So if you guys can fill a need this weekend, I'm encouraging you to do that. I think it'll work well for you, and you'll have a good time. So love y'all. Thanks for hanging out this week. Over and out, chat. Y'all have a great weekend, all right? Blessings, my friends. Peace. It's up, baby. Oh, later, chat. Love y'all.
get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? One more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me. Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seek in the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Let's go. We walk.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. my shame.